but I don't know.
Alright, I click live, so we should be pushing over to the live stream now. Let me you mind checking real quick? And actually, do
Yeah,
you let me 1 second.
yeah, good. Yeah, good. Yeah, let me check and check. I'm here.
Yo, what up, guys? How's everybody doing? Welcome to a Saturday night live stream. Let me see if the music. I don't think the music's coming through though, is it?
Let me see. Only a little bit.
Plus, the introduction doesn't really matter too much. Yeah. Today we got OJ the Juice Man. We're supposed to have Trippy on here, but I don't know where he's at. So, were you able to pull it up on your phone? Is that one of the viewers on there, or is that, or did you just get off? We got two
Yeah,
on here now.
so I'm in on one of my I'm in on my
Okay.
laptop. So you have another viewer.
Yeah, I guess we got one more. I think it might be Greg. Is it Greg? So what did you want to talk about today? I got some of the homies in here. We just got one in, but we wanted to just talk about a couple stocks. If you guys um go ahead, let me introduce OJ real quick. What you got anything to say, man? How was this week? Be able to pull it up on your phone. Is that one of the viewers?
Um, well, right now what I'm trying to do is we're trying to look through the flow and we're trying to see if there's anything interesting that catches our eye so that we could go ahead and digest and look at the charts
Mm-hmm.
just so we could set up a watch list for coming for next week. So
All right.
what we're doing is like we're pretty much having 350 size for the contracts and we're gonna do 7 day expiration so that we could see what people are betting on for the weekly. We're not gonna do far out contracts. We're just looking at weeklies at the moment, just so that we could see what people are expecting, anticipating for the week coming up.
All right. All right. Hey, let me.
Oh yeah, I did.
Yeah, yo, hey, what's up, bro? Shane showing up for a little bit. Happy Saturday, man. What's going on? So, we got OJ here. He gave himself a little explanation of what he's looking for this week. But if you guys have any tickers or stocks you guys are trading or anything that you guys are interested in talking about, this is pretty chill today. Nothing. And actually, I can do a poll if you guys are interested in doing that. Do you guys think the market's gonna be green on Monday, or red? Friday was pretty crazy, honestly. But how are you doing, Shane? And let me what poll should we do? Stock market Monday. We'll do green and red just to get an idea of who's feeling what. I'm actually curious to know if any of the people that watch the streams use the unusual whales, because um, actually there's a few things that we've pointed out on Friday, just a few different stocks. I know talked about Dell, and also this one's something I posted after the end on Friday, but I think we could go further into this one if you guys are interested. And Rad, this one's another one. This is Rite Aid. And one of the guys that follows me actually posted the Dollar Tree or the General. It looks like he made like 72% on his options. So if you guys aren't following us on Twitter, just take a second, check it out if you're interested. Then Uber, I really like Uber, but man, the price action on that has just been ridiculous. and been posting some of the other stuff like Hibbett Sports, and FSX was doing good, I think. So a lot of stuff to the downside. Zoom still surprisingly held its own towards the end, but this one has earnings on Monday, so we can actually look at earnings too. Let me write that down so I don't forget it. Do you have a watch list, OJ, or no?
Well, right now, the only thing that really caught my eyes was Goose. Ticker symbol Goose.
Yeah,
And
GOOS, right?
that's correct. So I'm looking at the 17 put for July 15. I'm also looking at the $22 put
Mm-hmm.
for June 17. So basically, for this flow, what I'm looking at is that the people that were taking call options, they sold for profit. They sold that at a bid price, and we have people stepping in buying puts.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Um,
this one's got just initial look at it, it's got the 57% bearish premium, and everything's on the put volume and put premium. So yeah, go on, my bad, I didn't mean to interrupt, but
oh no, it's all good, bro.
which one were the
And,
ones you were talking about though specifically? I didn't catch
um,
those.
it was the $17 put for July 15, which
Okay.
had a volume of 180. No. Yeah.
Oh, these right here, right?
Yeah, and then I was looking at a hold up. Give me a second. I found it. It was the $22 put for June 17.
$22 put for the same for
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 June
June.
17.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna add this one just because you were mentioning it. This one has like 10,000 open interest now on Friday, and it didn't have any volume, so doesn't look like many people have actually closed this position yet. But I do want to look at the full chain, so I'm gonna actually expand it. And yeah, if you guys have any, let me make sure these people know that they can comment any tickers you guys want me to look at. We'll take a look at it. Feel free to post them in the chat. Comment any stock to look at, and we'll put a smiley face. All right, so these are the ones you were talking about, right? I'm gonna actually filter a little bit by premium just to get an idea of. Is this the one you were talking about? This is huge. This is huge. The 10.
Yeah, but you see, it comes off as a sale, but it's not a sale. It's a buy
No, this
because
one's a buy. This one's a buy.
oh
Unless you were talking about a different one. This is
no
the
no
$1
yeah
million order.
yeah it's that one.
This one. This one's pretty crazy actually. Let me cut some of the premium out. See if we can get
But
more
if you
orders.
look at the chart as well, you could see that it had a massive run up during pre-market hours, I believe. So what I believe is gonna happen is that market if the market decides to go down more, then
Yeah.
I'm anticipating that Goose will go down as well, and it will fill the gap down.
Where's that gap? I know you told me about a gap. Is it this down
Um,
here back in March
I
2020?
think
I
no,
don't know.
it's in May 20. I think that's a gap because it's a big extended bar going up.
Where is it? Sorry. Back here?
Hold up.
I do see
Oh no,
um
it's like right there. It's like it like happened like recently.
oh
There
done
you
right
see.
here. I don't know if
Yeah,
that's a gap. Is it? It looks like I already got filled. Talking about this one here for May 13.
let me check.
I do see that it's coiling up. It looks like it might break down. I don't know if you
No, it was
familiar
for May 19, May 19,
May 19th.
2022.
Oh, down here.
Yeah.
Oh, is that a gap? I don't know if it is a gap, to be honest. I like to do gaps for the on the daily. I don't really track dailies underneath any. I don't know. Do you guys? How do gaps fill? I'm pretty sure the gaps only work for daily time frames. I mean, they might be on the hour I personally, me, only look at the daily gaps. So like this would be a gap here, but if it's something within like the 1 hour and stuff, I don't really track too much. But I do see like this initially from like the chart, this monthly level here. This is like under if we stay underneath this, then we'll be bearish. You see how every time it tries to get above this purple line, and it
It
gets
gets
rejected.
rejected.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
it sells off. So it looks like it's making like an ascending triangle kind of like. I'm not sure if this is the right. We'll just kind of quickly try to chart it out, but it's like a what, an ascending wedge. Let me see if I can diagonal ascending tri ascending triangle. Let me make sure pattern. It's something like this, and then eventually it breaks up or down. Something like this is what it kind of looks like, doesn't it? One of these. Maybe I can find a better picture. One of these actually is a good the rising wedge, something like that. I don't know if that's gonna be what it does, but this is another example here.
Yeah, so basically what we're looking for is we're looking to see how it's going to react on those resistant levels. We're going to
This one up
see
here,
if it
like
gets
2150.
rejected.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, if
Yeah,
it
I
gets
like the
rejected or not.
yeah yeah I like this 2150 area, and also I guess close to 21 here. No, well basically this is the main level to watch. I think Trippy wanted to. Oh, Trippy's on. You want to say what's up, Trippy? You good? Slide this just a little bit higher. So I'm thinking this is gonna break down, and like one thing that kind of validates the breakdown would be those puts, right? Because they're for July. I think
Yo,
it's
good evening, stock
what up?
market.
Oh, market vibe. We got we got Trippy in here. Are you good, or you just finished smoking? Cause you
Yeah,
back on
I
me.
actually, I did. I wrote up a joint and I knocked out because I was already baked and then I woke up and then I toked up.
Damn. So you feeling good right now?
Yeah, I'm feeling really good. Ready to talk about the DD.
Gotcha. Now this is a good point out by OJ. I don't know if you joined, but what are your thoughts on Goose, Trippy? I know you got the pot DD right now. So what's going on?
You want my opinion on what?
DOOS?
Let me see. I gotta pull up the stream.
Yeah, pull up the stream, bro. You can put it on mute too, so you can. And actually, I can share. Wait, can I share my stuff on here? I think my computer was like slowing down last time.
Oh, okay, cool. I see.
You see it?
Head
Well, I mean,
Head and Shoulders.
no. You thought, are we on the right one? You on the right stream? Bro, come on.
I don't. Are we looking at? Oh yeah, Canada Goose, right?
Yeah, Canada Goose. I don't know what they do,
Yeah,
to be honest.
it's Head and
Technical say
Shoulders
so.
in my book.
Is it for real?
Yeah.
Distribution retail of outerwear for men? The hell? Is it like a clothing brand? Looks like it's a clothing store.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah,
It's
it
for
is a
people
clothing
with
store.
money, bro.
It is a clothing store. Yeah, this would be bad, wouldn't it? And this nobody's gonna buy this stuff right now. People trying to eat. What do you think, Trippy? Give us some of that DD that you were pointing out earlier.
Canada Goose is like hype, so I think people will always buy them.
For real?
Yeah, they do like collabs and shit. Like, they're really hype.
Yeah, but like even in recession time, they're gonna be hype or not?
Yeah, of course.
Let me see the clout. Let's see if we got some clout. Iggy retweeted some stuff. Yeah, did I post that
I got
tweet?
the DD right here.
All right, yeah, we got some tweets. Let's see if any of the squad join.
You ready to
We
share
got,
the DD?
yeah. You're gonna post, yeah, post it in here. I can pull it up if you want. What do you want to do, OJ? What are you trying to, we got a few things to watch, right? But we really just chilling. So I'm down for
Oh
whatever.
yeah. this is like an open stream. So like if anyone has any suggestions, like anything that you would want us to break down, let us
Mm-hmm.
know.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. And you already got your watch list though, right? Because I think you've been doing some heavy work last night. You were putting some stuff in Discord. You guys want to join the Discord, by the way? Let me post that link really quick for you guys. It ain't much, but it's honest
Yeah,
work. Am I right, Trip?
yeah.
It
I
ain't
was
much.
up till like 2, 3 in the morning. I live in Florida right now.
Yeah. No, I
Yeah,
saw
I
ya.
saw it. I
Yeah,
saw it. Good
y'all was
deed.
in there. Let me just post this in
Um,
Discord real quick.
I'm also looking at Macy's, because they have earnings this week.
Yeah.
However, I don't want to play earnings. I just want to play the anticipation of the day
To
before earnings, if that makes sense.
yeah. That makes sense.
Yeah.
So what I'm looking at is like we have calls and we have puts coming in for Macy's, mostly calls. So maybe that could be a play there because if you look at the chart, it looks like. Give me a second.
Macy's. Let me look at. I do like Goose. Before we wrap that up, I do like Goose. I've already added to my watch list, and I guess I'll look at it overnight or kind of tomorrow. This is a nice play. Did it go down? It barely went down, so I feel like it might retouch that 2150, and then I'd probably be interested in some puts, cause these puts before we switch over to Macy's. I just want to wrap up this one if that's cool. These are some of the safe plays that I got, so I have a lot. But where's Goose at? Search for it. Yeah, so Goose had that $1 million order. These are some of the
I'm
ones
looking
that
at that Macy's play, by the way, and I feel like that one's a good play.
is it?
Yeah. I feel like if the cards go in your favor, then it's a jackpot.
Yeah. So does everybody?
Well,
Oh,
the Macy's put they ran up like 70% on Friday. They opened at $1 and they went up to $1.70. They closed at 150, and there was no signs of the people selling puts. As you can see, they sold 5 puts only. There's still like 10,000 holding coming towards Monday.
yeah. I'm interested in Macy's. I was just gonna say here on the OBV, it's looking like this is on the 30-minute. I can probably go to the 1 hour, but it looks like it's trying to go back up to this. So let me just kind of point it out. These are just some of the levels to watch, or that I'm watching here. Kind of this level up here, and then even though like it's slowly going up, the OBV is moving a lot faster. So like I think if it can break through here, then it'll come and retouch. So basically, if it can break what like 2050, then it's probably gonna want to come back up and touch that 2150, like we said. And then I'd probably be interested in those puts. So kind of like this, and then kind of hopefully it breaks down, or it could have one more leg. Like it could go there, and then come down. But but yeah, definitely expect like a breakout towards the end of May. I would think something either up or down. Would that make sense? What do you guys think? You guys are the TA guys. I'm just trying to lean off of you guys. NASCAR showing up. What up, man? Sorry, I didn't see the comments. What's going on, NASCAR? Happy Saturday. How's your weekend going? But yeah, what did you guys want to do? My bad. Macy's, right? Oh shit, everybody left.
Now we got like 2 people that left.
What?
Oh no, Trippy's
'Cause-
here. I'm in on
What's
the.
up?
No, I was just saying. You guys were talking about Macy's. What up with Macy's? I guess I need to look at the flow first, right?
So with Macy's, we got like 2 big orders that came in
Yeah.
on Friday. We had a 1 million call, but it was a cross order.
Oh yeah.
So
No. So
it's
ignore it.
kind of, yeah.
That's the only thing I'm still trying to learn is the cross orders. like obviously we ignore cross orders because it's basically one of the like exchanges like buys it, and then on the other side at the same time somebody sells it. It's just like fake noise. But what's confusing me is because this premium still gets calculated into some of the other stuff. Like if we were to go to the flow levels, that $1 million order is gonna still be, it's gonna still kind of skew the data here. Like let's just say for example that $1 million order, and we can actually verify. Yeah, 617. You see how this is 617 $20 call? And if you go back to like the flow levels, like even though it's a cross order and it's really not going to affect the price action, it looks bullish on the chart. Is that right?
Oh,
You know what I mean?
yeah. I think Macy's could hit $30 now.
$30?
Oh yeah. Do the Fibonacci. I'm doing it
On
right
what?
now. Bro.
What you mean? The Fibonacci? From where do I start? I don't use the Fibonacci, to be honest.
Oh shit. Okay, look, I'm gonna send you the DD, okay?
Alright.
What I like to do is I like to prepare for both sides. So I take a look at the highest volume open interest put and call for that ticker, and I decide to prepare for both sides. If that makes sense.
You said you take a leg on the highest open interest. So do you go to the active chain, or how do you find the highest open interest? You go over
I
here, right?
look at the I
This one?
put my filters to have more volume than open interest,
Mm-hmm.
and I look at today trades only, and I look at I look at the calls and puts, and whatever has the highest volume, then I'll take a look at those two. I'll take a look at the call and the put, and I'll basically just pay attention at the chart, and just so that like basically I take a look at the calls and at the put side, and I see which one has the most volume, and add both of them to my watch list. At that one, I'm looking at the chart throughout the trading day, whatever it wants to trend, if it's uptrending or downtrending,
Mm-hmm.
then I have two options on my watch list that I could play that I know has high liquid, and I won't have a difficult time getting out of it, because a lot of times you might buy into a contract, and you have no buyers, so like you get stuck holding that contract. So
Yeah.
that's why you want to look for contracts that have very high volume, like that you could get out.
So like this one on the Macy's has had 1.11K, almost 12K in volume. The other ones are kind of small, like with 2K volume. So you look at these then, right? You would probably, for the Macy's, you were looking at the June for 20.
Wait, I was looking at the June 17 put, and the um June 20 call, but that's a cross trade, but it's still.
Yeah, which one it is real quick. Oh, hold up. Trippy posted, I'm all over the place, but he posted some DD on the new pandemic. I
The
was,
monkeypox.
yeah. Are you believing that or no? Reset my filter really quick. Let
Come
me
on
reset.
now.
Come on. You believe in it or no? The monkeypox?
I think the monkeypox is the real COVID,
What
and
was
the
the other
COVID
one?
that it was a test run.
Let me do the Reddit DD real quick. You know if it's Reddit, then it's solid DD, am I right?
Oh yeah, and the crazy thing about it is that this Reddit DD predicted it like almost a year ago on what's gonna
6 months
happen.
ago. 6 months ago.
Yeah, yeah.
Little, that's
Come on,
crazy
huh?
actually. Smallpox?
It's
Well, he
close.
calls it smallpox, but they're calling it what, monkeypox?
Yeah.
A little over a week ago, Bill Gates warned of smallpox attacks. Or you think he was just guessing?
No, bro, it's on YouTube.
Dark winter? Yeah, we talked about that dark winter.
I don't think the dark winter has happened yet, actually.
But what's the timeline? Do you mind just giving us a breakdown of all this?
Oh yeah, dude. I think the whole timeline leads to my timeline as well. 36-month chart. Everything goes down pretty much towards the end of the year, basically. So buy your put.
well, I think we have one more rally though, no? Don't we have one more rally?
Yeah, yeah.
We talked
We
about this in
possibly could have one more rally, and um, just like how during the first pandemic there was a GME squeeze and AMC and shit. There's gonna be another one.
You want to know my DD for AMC?
Yeah, yeah,
I
sure.
think it's gonna rally not this coming week, but the week after, because that's gonna be the 1 year anniversary since the squeeze. I don't know if you remember.
So you
This right
Hey,
think
now,
here.
bro,
this
wait,
should
hold
go up?
let me pause you right there. The squeeze happened on June 2nd. June 2nd was by far the greatest motherfucking day to be an AMC motherfucking holder. June
Yeah.
motherfucking 2nd, bro. I'm never ever gonna forget that day, bro. Never. It was
Well,
the
it happened on that day after Memorial Day. It was like because the
RIP.
market was closed that Monday, and then on Tuesday, I think that started like just gassing. Let me see what day it was.
Yeah,
The 27th. I think
I
that was a
remember. I was
Tuesday.
sitting on this couch.
You
The
were
one
living
I'm
on what?
sitting on right now. I was sitting on the couch I was sitting on right now.
20 on Tuesday, the 25th. What happened on the 25th? Yeah, here. It's like it was the start of it. But yeah, that whole week it started gunning, straight gassing. And you say June
Come
2nd,
on,
yeah.
huh?
Yeah.
Mhm.
That's why I'm thinking like shit's about to get real for this. I don't even know. I haven't charted this thing up.
Yeah.
Do you guys have any charts on this?
on what?
On AMC?
No,
Um,
you can't do TA on this.
You can't because it's manipulated, right?
Yeah.
I mean, you could definitely find support in resistant areas that
True.
could that could help you out. I know that there's a lot of support around 11, $12. A lot of resistance around 14, $13, 13.50.
Yeah. You think if it
It's
comes down to 9, you buy?
yeah, if it comes down back to 9, I think I'm gonna buy shares
Looks
to
like
swing trade.
looks like it keeps trying to get back above
No.
this $13 and then they keep holding it down. The main level to watch is 15 though. This is what they're trying to get above. But they got this
Yeah.
resistance here and they got the resistance up here. So that's why I got this range box here. Just kind of it's a mess right there, basically. But I'm thinking, I mean, probably, I mean, if it comes down and retouches close to 10, that'd be I'm thinking double bottom there. And then by Memorial Day weekend, starts gassing back to 20. I don't know. The crazy thing is, though, a lot of people already like started shorting it from the top. So it's not like people need to cover. Let me look at the short volume for this one. NASCAR said, I did think we'd see 6 or 7 days of 2% down days. Do we finally rebound though next week? Or still heading lower? I did buy some stocks Friday afternoon. Which stocks did you buy? Just curious. Like high growth or dividends or kind of curious. Well, let me go to the short interest for it. I don't know if NASCAR probably dipped. My bad, man. I meant to get to your comments. You guys think it's time to buy stocks right now, or you guys think we should wait and just day trade?
I think the bottom isn't here yet.
Bottom is in here. Oh shit! Hold up. Look at this. 500 shares available to short AMC right now. Oh,
Right now? They're shorting it right now?
I'm not shorting it right now, but if they want it, I don't think they really can short it, right? They got like 500 shares. This was on,
I think
was it
the
Friday?
I
Friday.
think dark pool, or the dark pool is going to be banned.
It's gonna be banned.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, maybe. You know what? You know what somebody was saying? That things are gonna get so bad that people are gonna stop letting the market's gonna change their regulations for options, and it's just gonna let it's gonna you know how you have to have 25K or more to be able to like day trade like without PDT. They say that's
Yeah.
like there's so many degens and so much just like activity, like people losing money and getting screwed, that they're gonna do the same thing for like options or something. They're gonna do some regulations for it. But like that's why I'm trying to get my cash right now in case they do make some regulations for options. It was like, hey, you gotta have 25K to buy options or sell options. Like that's gonna make things hard to like double up your account, you know?
Yeah.
But Trippy doesn't have that problem because he's got over 25K. Am I right?
Yeah. And like shares.
There's So I guess you don't want to talk about AMC no more though, right?
Um. Well, as much as I love it, there isn't really much to say because we've said
That's what he's
everything like a year ago.
is what?
We said everything a year ago.
Yeah, the DD's already done, right?
It's all been laid out.
Let me just look at the flow. There ain't no activity on options for this for some reason. Crazy. They don't have any options for AMC. Well, they have some for this coming week actually. The 12s, $12 calls.
Oh,
Uh,
damn. Okay.
what's it trading at? Oh, it's trading at 12. So I don't know how much that really means.
Yeah.
All right, so there's a few stocks that I was watching. But I guess we'll talk about Macy's really quick because I think that's the one you're talking about, right, OJ? What do you prefer to be
Uh,
called, man?
well, yeah, what's it called? Chippy shared that there's a price tag on Macy's for
Mm-hmm.
like $30.
Yeah, I pulled that up.
So whenever I see the cost, like that gives me a somewhat conviction that someone's expecting the price to rise.
Well, they price cut
Um,
it though, not price.
at the same time, when I look at the chart, it is in a downtrend. So I mentioned, like I'm just ready for both sides. I'm
You're
ready
ready
for
for both?
calls. I'm ready for puts.
Yeah, I
Oh,
think I think it's
okay.
gonna bounce because this has a nice support level here. Like it's got a nice support level. I don't know though. Like just here, like this level here, it's got a nice consolidation above it, and then it had a rejection of underneath it. So now it's a nice support for it. So if market is strong, then I would expect this to go up. The only thing that
Yeah.
concerns me is that like just retail did terrible, right? Like Ross, Target, Walmart. Um, so I don't know. I think this. Do you? I mean, is Macy an expensive store? Like, how does that?
Nah,
They're dying business, no?
they teamed up with Toys R Us.
Oh
Like Toys
no.
R Us.
Yeah. So they're going
So
bankrupt too, then. I'm surprised it's still a thing. I'm surprised it's still a store. There's none in my place, like around my city.
I got Macy's around my areas.
You do?
Yeah.
I could see this going back up to 20, like right here to this level right here on the 1 hour, where it's got the resistance here before, like around this here and kind of like right here. So I could see it coming back up to this to 20 on the strong market, like strong index. The only thing that I would say though, it's like this is what's it called, Nordstrom. This is like another clothing store, and this is the one that I was trying to play to the downside because they have earnings on Tuesday. So another, I don't know what they're gonna do.
Nordstrom
Nordstrom, yeah.
showed
I
that
saw,
bitch.
yeah,
This
I think I saw orders on this one though. And this is why I posted it. Yeah, 60% bear premium. And then the orders that I have here is, what did I have highlighted? They're not showing up. Let me see if I can find them. The 45K I was watching. I think most of that's still held. Yeah. I don't know exactly about Nordstrom to be honest though. This got a bullish order, $1,000 or 1,000 size calls for this week for 25. But none of that actually carried over. So they had 1,300, they had 1,000 in trading volume, and then only 12 showed up the next day. Maybe I'm moving too fast. Let me know if I need to slow down. Let's look at the overall flow for Nordstrom. JWN. I think the overall premium on this was bearish. It looks bullish for next week though. Like the
Um,
30K orders.
that's I just quick question. Do you guys think we're gonna have a bear week or a bull week?
No, I think we're gonna have a, or I mean, I don't know, dude, because like the last 20 minutes of Friday market open, we saw the melt up of SPY go like that's showing up like 9 points in less than 30 minutes. So I I don't know if we're gonna have more continuation coming towards Monday, or if we're gonna test 385 and so on and so on. I don't know, dude. Or we might get sideways fucking trading like we did the past 2 days,
Yeah.
last 2 days.
I
I
feel
think
like
uh,
go on. You can go.
no, I was just gonna say, that last 2 hours, 3 hours was insane. Like, or what was it? The last 2 hours or the last 1 hour? This last 2 hours were pretty insane. Cause I wasn't by my desk, but I was just watching some of it. It's insane. I think I think we're gonna go back up to like 400. I think that's what I'm thinking though. Like basically,
I think
um,
we'll get rejected at 400, like for
yeah.
a fact.
Like I was super bearish once this came in. It's a bear flag, and we kind of talked about it. But I was too scared to like let go of cut my position. So I still have my stuff. They're down, but that was kind of my fault. But now that like basically it broke down, but then it got bought right back up underneath, and it held like underneath this level or above this level. I'm sorry, 385, which was crazy. So now it could technically be a double bottom, some kind of double bottom, and that's why I'm thinking retouch this, or at least the weekly up here. We're what, 398, and then get rejected. NASCAR says sideways week. Hopefully it can end slightly lower to keep the red week streak alive. If we
Oh
can have,
man, I mean, if we do a 9 straight week bear again, then
mm,
that's gonna be making like history right there for most consecutive weeks since
yeah,
1929 or whatever the
this is
fuck it is.
this is insane actually. Yeah, this is on the weekly here. We got one candle, two candle, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks. That's insane. And now, honestly, this candle up here is a pretty good reversal candle. I don't really follow the candle trading and stuff, but yeah. Hey, where's
I would like
Rogue?
to add that I think the media is going to talk about monkeypox more, so it could cause more fear in the market.
Yeah, I think yeah, and we caught that early though, didn't we? You've been spinning that since like Tuesday or Wednesday, and then I just started seeing people just barely talking about it on. So Preppy's always on that DD, man. But always sometimes I don't take you serious because sometimes you be trolling. The only reason sometimes I don't take you serious.
Like, bro, which part of the DD is children?
Just like some alien invasion.
Oh no, that's real DD, bro.
That's real.
Yeah, that's real DD.
If we can have a slight red week next week, my projection is 12 straight red weeks in the Dow before bouncing. Sheesh.
And you think
Do
we're
you
gonna
think
make
that
history?
that's what NASCAR is saying? He's saying if we can have one more red week, then just go ahead and just call it quits. It's gonna be 12 weeks of red. That'd be
Ooh.
insane though. I don't know if the market's ready. I don't think people are ready for the crash. Cause like, I mean, do you think so?
I am. What the fuck?
No, I mean,
Yeah,
That's
that's what I'm
nuts.
saying. I just feel like everybody's ready for the crash. That's why I feel like the market makers are gonna like burn
I think
everybody and
I think
Oh,
rip it.
I think
yeah.
America as a whole, I believe over 50% of people don't know what's gonna happen.
Yeah, I mean, it's the gambling casino. Honestly, it's just we just guessing. Nobody's nobody knows. We just out here predicting.
I mean, we have unusual wells to at least help us predict what might happen. At
Yeah,
least.
it's hard. It's hard though too. Like it's hard to know even with the whales. I mean, I'm not. I'm
Oh,
not
dude.
saying.
So check this out. So I was keeping track of a zero DTE spy put.
Yeah.
I seen a whale buy it for above the ask for around. He put in like 80,000. And dude, like 3 minutes later, it drops more than 30%. And I'm just thinking about the whale that bought in like 3 minutes ago, or whoever bought it, and I'm just thinking like, wow, like even
Yeah.
whales lose,
That's what I'm
you know,
saying.
like it's
Yeah.
crazy.
Yeah. But sometimes, yeah. Yeah. No, I don't. I don't have nothing to say to that. That actually is true. I was gonna say sometimes. I mean, most of the time they win, then they lose. But
But that's because they're hedging with other, like they fucking buy puts and calls, and that's what hedging is, right? When you buy calls and puts, so
yeah.
that.
Yeah. You hedge to the other side.
All right, so I'm looking at a flow right now that seems a little bit interesting. It's for
Hmm.
Rost.
Ross. Oh, ROST.
Yeah,
Oh, Jimmy's
ROST.
saying, "What up, Jimmy? Hey, thanks for showing up." He says, "Looks like Monday will be a big rally for Amazon split." You mind if we look at Amazon real quick, and we can
Dude,
talk
that's
about
fucking true. That is so, so true. That
what
is
happened.
so true.
When is Amazon split? Is it already announced?
June something, or like May something, June something.
Hey, maybe that thing pushes the market up. You know how Tesla
Well,
be
yeah,
doing that?
because S&P holds Amazon, so, right?
Amazon? Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, to announce stock split. This was March 29th. Did they give a date here? It's
Yeah,
the
for
first
June.
split since 1999. Let me quickly see if I can find a date. Jimmy, do you know the date for the split?
I have a play. I have another play too that I would like to talk about.
I bet.
Yeah,
Let me
same,
see if
same.
Jimmy, I don't know if Jimmy
Okay.
knows the date. Let me see.
Ticker symbol SIGA.
Repeat that one more time.
SIGA. Oh fuck, we missed the play, motherfucker.
Hey, I know what you're talking
SIG.
about, Trippy. You're talking about that monkeypox, bro. That thing ran up on Friday.
This goes along with monkeypox.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, I saw that on. I saw that on. What was it? On some live stream. I saw people
You
were
think we can
just
still
pumping
play
it.
it?
I don't
Dude, that
know.
shit went up 43%, dog.
It might have. Let me see real quick. It's also
Dude, that
split.
shit went up 23% after hours, dude.
Oh shit,
What
where is it?
the fuck?
Oh look, it's on June 6th. Wait.
Yeah,
Distributions from the stock split will be made to Amazon's shareholders on June 3rd, and trading will begin on the split at June 6th. What? Oh, distributions for the okay, so the float will change, I guess, on June 3rd, and then they'll start trading at the new stock price on June 6th. And Jimmy said May 27th is the last day to get in. So that's the end of this week. Friday. So this Friday. So he's saying we rally Monday. I feel like the people probably start rallying on Wednesday. I don't know. That's crazy though. I forgot about this thing. Doesn't Google have a stock split too? We can do that really quick. And NASCAR is asking if anybody knows about some transcripts. Not sure if oh, this one's for July. I have no idea what the transcripts are. Is Google stock split buy before? You know what's crazy? It's Everybody was buying stock splits, and now nobody cares about them right now.
So
This is
yeah,
20 for one, so that'd be what, like $100? Let me see. Like 150? Oh, $100, yeah. Like 110. That's gonna be cheap, bro. Google.
hey,
Like now you can buy options for this thing. Like right now you can't afford any options on this. Like now we could start trading this shit. Amazon is doing what, a 20 also, or what are they doing? This was a 20 for a 20 for one is for Apple, and then Amazon's a 20 for one also. That's insane. I don't know about any transcripts, NASCAR, my bad. This looks like it's bear flagging though, doesn't it? Or not? Kind of like right here. So it might have one more run back up to 2300. Go to the let's go to the like the 1 hour really quick. Okay.
yo,
What up?
GDG. So I was looking at Ross, and it
Mm-hmm.
still has. So Ross, they reported earnings on May 19th. They did really
Yeah.
horrible.
Yeah.
So, for Macy's, who knows? Maybe Macy's follow Ross because they're both similar, very similar, not
Of
very
course.
similar, but you
Like
know. So what I'm
sector.
like, yeah. So yeah, yes, yes, same sector. So what I'm looking at is that there's still more put flow being bought more than cost. And if you look at the chart, then it's obviously in a downtrend now because of earnings. So maybe there's more opportunity to capitalize that it's going to be downtrending.
Yeah.
It has resistance at 74.50. So I'll be looking to see if it breaks 75, 74.50.
Mm-hmm.
And if it doesn't, then I'm expecting more downside for Ross.
Yeah. I got like 75, 76.
Yeah,
You said there's still a lot of bearish flow on Ross right now?
yeah.
What kind of stuff do you have? What are you seeing?
Um, fuck.
Yo,
Let me
if you
find.
guys don't
Oh yeah,
mind,
yeah,
just
yeah.
take a second and hit that like button for us so we can get the algorithm running. I appreciate you guys. I'm gonna pull up on my phone and like my own video real quick too. Bet you gotta do what you gotta do, man. Just trying to get this out to more people. You guys can just help me out with the like really quick. It's free, and I appreciate it. Um,
Wow.
NASCAR
Yeah,
retracted
yeah.
his email or his message. Let me really quickly look at that premium for Ross. So I'm gonna set up my filter that I like to use, and I'm gonna see what we can pull up here really quick. Ross 45 premium or above. Wow, so there's still more puts, but actually these expired. But there is some more downside for next week. These are pretty small orders, but
Then you
yeah,
also see calls coming in for 73, striking
yeah,
73 price,
yeah.
and
The
you can
buy to
see,
open, buy to
yeah,
open.
just one slapping the ask at 270 when it was at 265. So they wanted these. Open
Yeah,
interest is zero. Volume is um 13,000. So
yeah. The
that's
only thing for this one is like it doesn't have any open interest history, so it could just be new contracts, no? Oh, this is for, yeah. I don't know if this is new contracts. Do you think they open new contracts? Because this had
yeah,
zero, like you said. But it doesn't have
yeah,
any history before it.
yeah. So it's definitely
New
someone
chain.
buying the contracts for the very first time.
Right.
That's what I mean. That like you gotta look for contracts that have high volume. Because what if you're the only buyer and
Mm-hmm.
there's no, I mean, seller and there's no buyer? So what's interesting about this that no one had owned these contracts at all the day prior, and
Right.
they bought them for the first time right before market close.
Oh
So you
yeah,
know
I
what?
did see that. I do
So
see that. Yeah.
so that I don't know. We might get a rally on Monday, and we might see these people close their contracts on Monday because they don't have that much time. That they
These are
expired. They expired this week,
yeah, they're weeklies technically.
but
And
they
now
did buy
I do see a
on.
lot of buy to or size greater than open interest now that you mention it. There's one for 900 and then there was one for 100. So basically, I mean like 250K. Is that right?
And if you go down and look at the breakdown by expiry, you can see that for 520 we have 3 million bullish calls and we have 1.6 million bearish calls. So this week we could probably get Ross to the upside,
Mm.
but moving towards the future we might get bearish flow.
Yeah, I just
According,
filtered this real quick by the size range, and these are the only ones that do come up. About 1,000 contracts for next week for 73, and it's trading at 71, about 72 right now. So I
Mhm.
think maybe what they'll do, maybe you're right, maybe we get a rally on Monday, and I think it runs up to 75, 76, and then maybe they'll cut these since they're weeklies. I don't know.
Sounds about right.
But you were saying something about the 20s. Let me pull that up real quick.
About the what?
There's something about the 520s or something
Oh no,
about,
those were closed already.
yeah.
Those were
Oh,
those
these right here?
open at those had a low of 5 cents per contract,
Yeah. Yeah.
and they went up to like 370, dude.
What did they open at though? I know they probably opened up huge, no? Because
Oh
probably,
yeah, because of the massive down of the sell off.
yeah. Everything's bearish though. Let me see if I can cross out stuff that doesn't matter anymore really quick.
Everything is bearish, but we do have those costs that do pop up. Maybe maybe they're expecting a short rally and downside after.
Yeah, I'm gonna quickly filter out stuff that doesn't matter anymore.
Now let me ask you: do you take a look at the dark pool trades, GGG?
Nah, I don't know how to read them to be honest. And there's
All
like
right.
it's a hard
So
indication, no? Like for me, it's hard to indicate what actually
so
matters.
so it is, but what you want to look for is you want to look for the highest purchase premiums because all these are stock purchases. They're either stock purchases or stock sales. So what you will want to look for, GGG, is you
Yeah,
want to look
you can
at
just
the
call me
highest
G, bro. You can just call me G.
G.
Young guy, young guy.
So what you will want to look for is the highest premium. So for Ross, we have the highest premium at 1.83 and 2 point million. So now the price that they either bought it or sold it at was 71.80 and $72. So that tells me that those levels, 71.80 through 72, are gonna be levels that I'm gonna pay attention at. Now, why am I gonna pay attention to it?
Hold up,
Well,
I just went to the dark pool trades real quick. So you were saying 71.84, right? Or 87. Could I
um,
share my screen so you can see it? Let me see if I can share my screen real quick.
oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm looking right here at the YouTube.
Okay, I didn't know if it was delayed.
It's late a little bit, but you're looking at the dark pool flow, right?
Yeah.
So what you want to look for is look for the highest purchases premiums. So yeah, you
Like,
have a lot of small purchases, but you want to look
mm,
at the big size, at the big whales.
right, the 1.8.
Once you, yeah, so the 1.8. Now look at the price that it was purchased at. It was purchased or sold at $72, right? So
Right.
now what you would want to do is you would want to go to your chart and you would want to write down that level that this level right here it was I like
Either bought
you
or
want
sold.
to use like you want to use dark pool trades as pivot levels as
Yeah.
if that makes sense
No, that
because you
makes
know
sense.
that that's where big money either sold or bought at, so that's going to be a critical number for them um And yeah, so I think that's how dark pool is used.
But what does this
It's
mean when it's only like 20 cents though? It's like not a big difference. I would just make that a range, no? Like 70.
yeah,
Oh,
yeah. It's a range to look at. So what I would want to look at is how the price reacts around there. If it bounces off that area, 72. So
yeah,
we know 72 is a psychological level.
yeah,
So we can either see a bounce at 72 or a break at 72. And these dark pool trades are going to tell you, like, you know, that's a big level to pay attention at.
yeah. I'll probably just do like a range there. Was it like
7180,
mid?
72.
Yeah, kind of like about right there. It's not much, but it's honest work. You know what I'm
Oh, yeah.
saying? All right. So what should we continue looking at the flow for Ross or
Nah, I think we're finished with Ross. They did earnings already.
yeah, I do like the OBV. I don't know if you've noticed this, but the OBV is like going up like hella fast.
What
So
does
it's
that
like
indicate?
it's just volume, like leading volume, like people are seems to be buying back up.
Oh, I see it.
So for example, like right here, let me see if I can give an example. Right here at this level right here, like this what May 20 here, the OBV is at this level, right? The price is like here at what 72, and now the OBV already broke out, but up here it still hasn't broke out, and that looks like a penis. I'll take that off. No, but so now it looks like either the price is gonna have to catch up to the OBV up here, so we could expect a retouch about like 74, 75 to kind of like catch up to the OBV. Does that make sense? Or no?
Yeah,
So like this is basically when Ross was trading at 72, 70, the OBV level was like at this, right? And
correct,
then
correct, correct.
it started trading, but even if it was trading sideways, the OBV was going higher. So it already
So,
passed this previous support or resistance.
so
But if
that's
you
like a divergence, right?
uh I guess you could say divergence. This is basically leading indicating. It's like leading the way. So this is already
That,
going up, but this hasn't caught up to it yet. So I would expect this to catch up to it, right? And so kind of do the same pattern here. So it came down and then broke, and then it got back above that, right? So we could expect something to 76 to kind of like mirror that. Does that make sense or no?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
I would look at a few videos on it just to get an idea. But that's the way that I understand it. But I don't know if that made sense. So basically we had this resistance at this level, right? And we had the resistance, which at this level it was trading at this price, right? Now it broke out, but if you look at the chart, it still hasn't broke up. So it's got a nice little thing to. I don't know. You can look at some videos. I'm still learning the OBV. I'm not like the best at it, but that's why I think that maybe that 76 might make sense. But Trippy dipped. Sheesh.
I know.
Okay.
I messaged him.
He'd be
Yeah.
tripping right now. Oh, it's because I didn't look at his DD. Let me see if I can look at it. Tell him I'm gonna look at his DD. Or actually, he might have went to go watch the game. Who's playing right now? Who's winning? Damn. It's like that? Oh, shoot. Okay. Okay. Let me see. There's 8 votes
Oh,
today. It's 8
was the
votes.
OBB going up? That's where we have that 73 call in place, correct?
I didn't connect the options flow to the chart. I kind of connected the chart just to the chart. There was 8 people that voted,
Yeah, yeah.
and about 75% say Green Day tomorrow or Monday, which I kind of agree with, to be honest. And you know, it's kind of weird because you know how you mentioned those dark pools? It's actually that resistance
Yeah.
level, 71, 80, and 72, yeah. So it seems like it's a resistance. So it could be that maybe those positions were shorts. I don't know. Because if there were buys, then it wouldn't be a resistance. But then I guess it depends on what time they came in too. They came in 15:35. Is that towards the end of the day? This came in after hours. It looks like towards the end of the day. So it might actually be buying positions. These could be shares that got bought.
For the cost, right?
The dark pools are actual shares, I believe. These are
Oh
actual
yeah,
shares.
yeah. G dark pools are only shares, brother.
Right.
Only share.
Right. So that's what I'm saying. So this is actually matching up to some of those calls too, like the sentiment for Ross.
Oh, got you. Oh, got you. The 73 call. Now we got buyers or sellers stepping in around 72.
And that was everything
I
towards the
see what you
end.
do.
Right.
Connecting the dots in here. Okay.
So I think on Monday, all this buying will probably get reflected on the stock price because it looks like it came in towards the end. I don't know. Did it have like big wicks at the end of the day? Oh wait, no, it wouldn't because it's dark pool. It doesn't affect the real trading. Is that right?
I believe dark pool is for companies to hide from their competition.
I don't know what that means. I do
Yeah.
see
So
these. See these big orders though that we were talking about. They're actually on the top 4 floor trades. So they're in here again. I think Monday's gonna be a rally, bro. Pretty
huh.
sure.
I,
Just in general.
yeah, because I mean, look it. We saw someone selling an 80 put, for 930. We saw someone buying a put, but I don't know, bro. I don't know. Yeah,
I
I
think
could see a rally. I
I
could see
think
a rally.
I think these right here, since it already had a lot of open interest and now it has a lot of volume, I think these are just people closing out their puts for next week, their $50 puts. And then what's the other one? This one right here, I think other people are closing out their puts for next week too. So that's why it's bullish, because maybe they're indicating the end of the downtrend. This one I'm not too sure on. Like it's got a lot of open interest and it's got more volume now, but it still says it's bearish. So maybe I don't know about these. I still feel they probably closed their positions on Rost. But bro, there is so much flow to watch, like it's insane, you know?
Yeah,
Like, dude, bro, like we've spent like almost an hour talking about Rost. Like nobody cares about Rost, but that's how much time you can spend on some flow. You know what I'm saying?
for real. And like we just found Ross like right now.
Yeah, and like I probably won't trade Rost, right? But because the premiums are kind of jacked up right now. Well,
Oh
actually
yeah,
no, the premium, the IV already came down on them because they had earnings. But I like playing tech, to be honest. I'll play tech. Like Uber's one that I've been watching, but I haven't watched the flow on it, so I think this would be a good time for me to pick up on some flow. Looks like they got $24 calls. These are actually not bad size. This is just the only stuff that's came up recently. I still like these for 715s, the 25s. The this came in on the 18th. That's why I still like Uber. Like these $25 calls. Let's look at the spread. Do you kind of understand how to read these or no?
let me see.
The Ubers, it looks like they bought puts. I don't know what that means.
It's still loading up on your screen.
It says the order's bullish, but the price looks bearish. They're buying puts. So like 1 point. Uber spreads, they bought calls, but about 500K in calls, and then they bought puts, about 5 million in puts. I don't know why that is bullish. Let me close it real quick. I want to see it. I want to check it. So it was like 3,400. It says it's a bullish order. but I don't understand the $25 calls for 17. That is these right here. It says it's bullish, but it's hidden with the puts also. Do you know how to read that?
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
Pull it up on
So
your screen or on your laptop, so
um,
that way I don't gotta.
all right. Yeah, you're right.
It's not too much to ask for. Hey, Trippy straight dip. He's trying to watch the game, bro. They're getting smoked though. 18 points. They're losing by 18 points right now. I had the DD for Trippy, but he got mad, I guess. My bad, y'all.
Nah. All right, hold up. I'm looking at this. Low levels.
We got any clout? Nah, no clout. Damn, bro.
Possible related trades for.
What's your go-to
Oh,
filter? Like, is it the higher volume one that you were mentioning? Is that your
yeah,
go-to?
yeah, but what I'm looking at for the Uber flow right there, it's like
Bearish or
I-
bullish?
I'm seeing both. Like I'm seeing people betting against both sides,
Yeah.
and I realized that people do that when they have side trading days. Because
Oh,
when you have days that side trade, you could capitalize off costs and puts. You really could. You just gotta know when to enter and when to exit. So that tells me that the person is hedging for their costs and puts. So that's why that flow G is confusing to read because it's not so clear, you know, it's not so storytelling. It's a bit mixed up.
yeah. And I liked Uber, but it
No,
does look
bro,
like
like,
it got
look at, bro, like,
rejected, so it might be breaking down now.
I mean,
Like
look at, you have more puts, right?
like this, a bear flag. I don't know if I showed it on the screen. What were you saying? I think you got cut off.
Um, well, we're looking at Uber at the moment. And
Yeah.
when we look at Uber, we see that we have 2 million in calls and 1 million in puts. However, when we go down and we see the pie charts,
Yeah.
we
It's
can see that
bearish.
people with more than 15,000 are betting bearish.
Mm.
So isn't that kind of confusing how you could look at the total open interest and you have 2 million and 1 million? That's why you
Yeah.
gotta like dig deeper to see what's really going on.
Yeah.
Have you have you tracked your own order whenever you bought it on Unusual Wealth, G?
What do you mean? Track it.
So like so for example, like whenever I bought an option for SPY and I have my filters on naked and I see every single order that comes in, I can see my order coming in at the time that I bought it at, and it would actually pop up.
Oh no, I never
Now,
done that.
yo, yeah, so check this out.
I don't want
Even though I bought it, it showed that it was a sale, but I
to.
bought
Oh,
it.
really?
So yeah, dude. So that taught me to really read sales and buys different because I
It
bought
doesn't
something.
always. Yeah.
Yeah.
How do you know it was your order though? Your specific order.
Why? Because I was the only DJ that bought one contract at 9:32 with 30 seconds, and I have receipts on my phone and Unusual Wells at the same time.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it is possible to track your orders as well.
Yeah, I just never done it. On the pie chart though, you were saying I see like there's more bearish premium for
Then,
June's than
yeah,
bullish.
so what I'm assuming that the open interest, the total open interest is gonna update because it opened um bullish on Friday, but it probably ended bearish on the day. That's why you have more bearish flow, more
Yeah.
bearish premiums.
But this
So that's
premium,
why too.
but this premium, you think people probably took profits though at the end of the day, or towards the end of the, or midday or something, and then
Yeah, yeah.
they'll kind of
That
move back, converge back to like 50
yeah
50.
because the price went down for Uber throughout the day on Friday.
So people probably trade at the downside, and that's why
Mm-hmm.
there's more bearish premium. But the question is,
And
does it
back
hold
up.
up?
It it pushed back up in price though. It dropped to 22.50, and it came
Hmm.
back up to 23.40.
Yeah.
However, it was probably you know what happened? SPY happened. SPY rally happened the last 20 minutes. It carried the whole market. So
Well, here's
what
the
I'm looking,
OBV. This is what I
I'm not
liked about it.
sure.
This is what I liked about the OBV. It looks like it wants to break back out. Like
Well,
so.
what I'm looking at a lot of these options is that they're anticipating a short bullish side, and long term they're anticipating bearish flow, like
Yeah.
bearish
Yeah.
um
So we'll probably do a short-term rally
short term rally. But we have a doji on the Uber on the daily,
on
and
Uber.
yeah, on the daily.
The daily. It's not a doji, is it?
Yeah, it's
The only thing I see that's bullish on the Uber is that the OBV is pushing up, but the price hasn't done it. And it also looks like it's still a potential double bottom here,
oh yeah,
right?
yeah,
Like a
I see
potential
it.
double bottom here. So I think we retest this range here between 2020, between 24.25 and 24.85. If we can break outside of that, come back, and then continue, things gonna get crazy for us. We're gonna go back up to like close to 29. I don't know if you saw that on the chart, but that's what I'm seeing. And like the thing that's leading is the OBV. Like you see, it continues to go up, like volume keeps going up, but the price doesn't.
Well, the volume looks like it's kind of declining. If you look at the volume bars down there.
True, yeah. I meant on the OBV. Um,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
on the
I see
OBV,
it.
it's going up,
It
but
it is
doesn't
going up.
reflect. But then again, on the bear case though, it does look like maybe it's a bear flag. Like it's a
Oh yeah.
long wick down, and then it's consolidating here for some time. So it could break down. It's just like really hard for me to believe that transportation's gonna, or Uber in general is gonna break down to like $15, That'd be
Well,
insane.
I mean, it's not the fundamental that we're paying attention right now. Is we're looking at the overall state of the market, because
Right,
we know
right.
that if the NQ and SPY, if it does bad, if Google and Apple, if they do bad, like they're one of the top, um, they carry the SPY.
Mhm.
They're like the top 8 companies in the SPY, the basket. So I feel like all of these rallies are being driven by SPY and QQQ and NQ. So my thesis for this week is that we get a upside, but we get higher lows and lower lows.
Yeah. Sorry, I was charting some stuff up. Go on though. You were saying?
What do you think, G?
I don't
Because
know.
like
We
if we have,
we gotta wait for Sunday night. Get the futures going.
bro, futures are gonna gap up. You know,
Probably. Well, I don't know, man. Didn't last Sunday's futures were red?
I
Yeah, I
don't
don't know.
remember.
Man, I feel like we haven't done any DD, even though we've been chilling. I feel like we haven't done anything. We talked about Ross, but I don't
No,
know if we're actually gonna play that. Are we
we
really gonna
covered
play?
Ross, we covered Goose, we covered Macy's. Now we're covering Uber.
I think I think the only one that we've covered so far that I would probably play is Goose. But then Trippy kind of got me confused because he said that it's a clout and people is hype and people gonna keep buying it.
It is. It is, but like remember, like we are playing charts. We're following money. So
Yeah,
this is what I mean, bro. Like we
and
can't
it
be
look
biased with what
yeah
we're thinking because we're looking at the flow and we're looking at the charts. We're looking at dark pool. So regardless, we get ready for both sides. We get ready for bullish uptrend and we're gonna get ready for bearish downtrend. And that's the way how it needs to be. We gotta prepare for both sides.
yeah. Honestly though, I think what I'm really actually interested in playing Goose to the downside. Like this level right here. Like obviously we got that triangle that I'm talking about, right? We kind of indicated that. But this support like right here, was it like 2130? It's actually a pretty strong resistance. Like it came down here once, really strong support. It struggled to get underneath it and then it finally broke in and now it's like really struggling to try to break above. So if it gets rejected here again, like later this week, I'm gonna get those puts and it's gonna probably come down to 18. So that's what I'm seeing.
Um,
How's
I
that?
agree. I agree, bro. We have. It seems like we're gonna be testing 2150 or 2050 this week,
Mm-hmm. 2150, yeah.
and we're gonna see what it wants to do.
Yeah. So like
I
a good
mean,
example is
2150 seems kind of fucking high, because that's the high of the day, basically what we're gonna be looking at.
yeah.
But
So
that's actually
look,
a good eye.
let me show you another example. So I was talking about Chewy and I mentioned in the space, this was the play that I talked about on the space, but I told him that I was watching 2850 and if not that you could play it to the downside. And like right there, it got rejected twice and then I think on Monday, might be Monday. What day was it? Yeah, on the 16th, right here, it went back up and touched it, got rejected, and you can just see it sold off. So like these resistance that I mark out are like pretty valid, I think. So that's why it gives me confidence in this one here. Like if it fails to break underneath here, then I would probably put it down to the downside. If it breaks above, then that would be bullish for us, I would think. Then it could come back up to probably the next one that's up here. But I would probably take profits at 24 because psychologically that'd probably be somewhere around 25 is where people probably start taking profits. But I always like to take stuff ahead. But yeah, I really do like this play that you
For
meant that you
Chewy,
brought
right?
up. Huh?
For Chewy?
Oh, I moved back over to Goose just to
Okay,
show
okay,
you.
yeah.
Yeah. If it breaks above that 2150 that we talked about on Goose, then I'd play it to the upside to about 24.
Oh yeah, yeah,
If it breaks
yeah.
above.
Yeah. What I was looking at Chewy though is that
Mm,
we have like a double bottom that seems to be forming, but it
yeah.
looks like it's gonna get rejected at the neckline
Decline like 26, about 20.
around 25, 2470.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I see the double bottom there too. It's kind of weird because it's like been coiling up. Like it's like been. I think this might be a bullish.
No, I
Um.
think this is a bearish play for Chewy.
Well, let me make sure. The only thing I guess I would say it's bearish is because it's like consumers. Like this is like, let's say for example, Costco for dogs. So I could see the downside, but it looks like it's doing. So people are kind of scared to buy those right now.
Well, we're looking to see. I mean, like what we're looking at on May 20th, it bounced off support at 2350. So we know that we have support at 2350. Now what we're looking at is if it's going to be able to break 2575 to go back to the uptrend.
Mhm.
Otherwise, we're going to probably retest 2350.
Yeah, I got 2850 still as that big resistance, and also got, I guess I'll throw it in here 2620. It's gonna be about 26 20 or 26. Honestly, it's gonna be that. I don't know if you can see it on my chart or on the stream, but this is basically where it consolidated. So around 26, then it came down again, and then finally broke under. And this is where it got rejected at 26. Sheesh. Hey, we should probably talk about like Lucid, SoFi, Robinhood. We can get the some hype plays in here. What do you think? You want to talk about
And
some of
with it,
those?
let me look up let's look up Hood.
Robinhood? Alright.
Yeah, because they have strong support at on like 950 and shit.
Alright, I'm gonna pull up the chart and look at the flow. You let me know if you see anything. Honestly, Robinhood looks bullish.
Hey, bro, like right now, what we're doing, we are sharpening our swords. We're sharpening our skills. We are
Alright.
practicing our flows.
Yeah. No, I like Robinhood actually. It's holding these levels, this 970. It's holding it well. It looks like it's flagging. It's like just consolidating. Hopefully it breaks out. If the stock is, if the markets are strong, then it can break back out. I don't know if you're following on the stream, but here's something there. Looks like it's trying to flag back out. And I'm actually gonna change these colors too. My favorite color. I don't know if you could tell what my favorite color was. It's black. My favorite color is black, but it's hard to just do stuff in black. So it's my second go-to.
We
This
have
one,
more bearish premium on Hood
you
than
do?
we cost. Yeah.
I don't know if you're looking at the stream, but I got a a, a flag consolidating, looking for a breakout. And also, I mean, just in general, this level is like so strong, 970. Which is upsetting because I actually want it to come down so I can buy shares, but it is what it is. I don't think it's time to get like the long shares right now anyway, like add to the long term, just because so much crazy stuff's going. I'm just trying to
Yeah.
day trade, to be honest.
Anything right now is good for day trading because of how much volatile there is in the markets at the moment.
Yeah. I do like Robinhood though, like on the chart. It's holding that 980 level. If it can break outside this descending trend, then it could kind of come back up to 12, maybe a little less. But let me look at the flow because I think you're saying there's bearish flow on it. Sorry. On Hood, it's
There
just hard.
was
It's hard to
there,
believe there's bearish flow on it because they have a good balance sheet, and once interest rates start going up, they should be making more money off of their all the cash they have. You know what I'm saying?
actually I scratched that that bearish flow
Mhm.
was only for 520, which was
Yeah.
this Friday. After
Okay.
520, it seems like we have a lot of bullish flow after that.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I do see that. I'm looking at the
Um,
15K premium. That's the chart that
hold
I'm
up.
looking at. It
Take a
looks like
look
it's
at
for June.
the dark pool trades. For
Oh,
the
the dark.
dark pool trades, we have 1 million and 2 million
Mm-hmm.
at around 1030 and 1050. So you would
Yeah.
want to pay attention at that range as well
Yeah.
because something's going on there given by the dark pool. So I'm just mentioning so that we could use it as another data
Support.
pointer.
Yeah. The flow for the most part looks pretty break even though. Like at least on the 15K premium, I thought it initially looked bullish, but you can see the bearish put us there too. It's like kind of straight up sideways. Like
Yeah,
initially
I
it
mean
looked bullish, but the bullish doesn't come
that's what I
until
mean.
next year.
That's what I mean. That like you have puts and calls,
Mm-hmm.
but it's like it kind of gets you confused. Like, wait a minute, like what's going on? But what it tells me that people expect sideways, so
Yeah.
they're ready for both sides. Like they're gonna sell whenever they're on profit, and yeah, I don't know. That's how I interpret that. That's how I see it.
Yeah, I kind of interpret the sideways. But a better way to, a better way that I put it, when I just see kind of sideways stuff like this, instead of saying sideways, what I think is it's just not a time to play it. Basically, it's not a trading, it's not a trade to make right now because there's not really any direction, right? So when it's sideways, the way I see it, I'm just like, okay, I don't have, there's no play here right now. It's basically that is the way I like to think about it.
Yeah, whenever you have a day in the market where you see sideways trading, it's mostly bouncing off support and bouncing off resistance, and it's always gonna break one of these. So it could be pretty difficult.
Yeah. So
Challenging challenges.
I'm kind of pivoting over to some of the earnings stuff just because
Dude, that's coming up this week.
right. I pretty much already looked at everything on one of my last streams, but I just want to re-emphasize some of the stuff. Do you mind if we go over Zoom? And I also want to go over Dell because Dell's one that I caught pretty early, and those puts are actually up about 30 or 40%, probably more. And then
So
snow's down too as well. I was looking at those.
okay, let's see.
So the Dell puts that I looked at, I had the 37 puts and the 40 puts for June. The 40 ones are up 30%, and the 37s are up 34%. And
Okay,
then
so I'm looking at the puts, and it looks like people are closing their positions for the put side.
on which one? Dell?
No, for Zoom.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I did see that Zoom had some bullish stuff come in. Let me make
Yeah,
sure.
so I've been I've been hearing a lot about Zoom and their
Hmm.
bullish flow, to be honest.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, and I actually have some of these marked up. I have the 603 115s buy to open. There was 1,000 size order, about 300K, almost 280K, and 13 days till expiration. It's the 115 calls. These are the ones that I marked. They basically had 260 open interest, and then on Friday they had 2,000 open interest.
Okay, I see that.
Yeah, and I think what's crazy is I think it did sell off, but people were still buying calls. You know what I'm saying? That doesn't make sense, right? So I think
Well, when you're buying costs in a sell-off, you're initially paying a lower premium because you're buying
right,
it at a low price,
right,
and
that's what I'm saying. So it's bullish, is what I'm saying though.
yeah, yeah. I mean, based off what we see here, it's like it's I don't, yeah, it looks bullish, but we do have more bearish premium, but I don't think that really matters. I mean,
And I'm gonna post a chart here on due dilly station, and it looks like it's a ascending triangle. I don't know if you've ever seen the dude. Heat getting what? Ascending triangle. It looks like it's shit, we lost a viewer, bro. We're down to 2 viewers now. We need to push the algorithm. This is basically what I'm seeing though. Kind of like it's right here. Ascending triangle. Here, I got it. I posted it on Discord. Something like this. Copy. Let me know if you can see it. That's what it looks like on let me see if we got any clout. No clout. It's Saturday night. Ain't nobody gonna have clout right now.
bro, Yo G, so you see 9440, that's where you have resistance, correct?
Right.
So
Yeah.
like it is, I mean, like it, we have
Really 93.20. 93 to 94. Just mark
We
that
have
up.
earnings.
This area right here. What's up? You kind of cut off.
We have earnings coming up for Zoom.
Mm-hmm.
So this play will be before earnings and not a earnings play. Because you don't hold nothing during earnings unless you want to like lotto it because, you know, it's kind of dangerous playing
Right.
earnings.
I mean, people do that though. It's life-changing money. For me though, it looks
Legit.
like it. For me, it looks like if it can break out above this OBV,
We'll retest like 99.15, 97.70.
what do you mean? Oh, on the OBV, it looks like. Well, let's look at the implied move first. Let's look at implied move on Zoom really quick, so we can see what the expected move is. Expected move is 18% on $90. So let's play that to the upside. 89.97 times 105. Expected moves to be 105. Breaking 94. They can break 94, bro. Sheesh. This thing's gonna go back to 106 for sure. It says 105, but the resistance is really here, around here, 104. I actually like. Hey, Omar's like, who's here? Stand up. Nobody's in here, bro. It's just you, Trippy stream, and my stream.
Nah, we got more people in here, bro. Believe in it.
Believe in it. We gotta pump it. Nobody was asking questions. I think they want to know about what Lucid and GGPI and SOFI. That's the hot stuff. Oh, NASCAR's still listening. Yo, NASCAR's a G, bro. He's a real one. NASCAR's in here, bro. Hey, man, if you want any tickers, you put them down. We're gonna take a look at them for real. Saturday night chilling. I thought it was just us,
While
man.
while people are out there partying, we are out here preparing for the next
For the
on how to
next,
make money.
yeah, bro. Last week I was the one out there partying. I got pretty drunk. But nah, I can't do that every week, you know. You can drink though, right? You say you're 22.
Yeah, I'm turning 23 next month.
Oh shoot. You said that you don't go out with friends or anything, or why don't you go out and party
Uh,
with friends? You said you anti. Why is that? You just don't
I
like
mean,
talking to people, or what?
I just don't like. You can't force people to be your friends, you know. So
Yeah.
it's like, um, I don't go out of my way to make friends. I don't
Hmm.
go out like I live in LA,
Yeah.
and like I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty paranoid of going out here because there's a lot of people that have fucking pistols or there's just so much shady shit happening here in LA that I'm just fucking paranoid, yo.
You live in the Bronx, or like you live in like the ghetto and stuff, or what?
Nah. I live in a okay city, but it just anywhere you got out in LA, you just gotta be careful. Like there was like a
Right.
shooting, there was like three. Yeah, bro. It's LA, bro. All right, so
Yeah.
NASCAR is asking for IMMX, break down the
Um,
flow.
I don't know if that one's gonna have the options, bro, but we can look at it. Hey, OJ, I'm just curious because like you say you be driving everybody around, so they don't drive or what? You like the
Oh,
man of the house or what?
yeah, so they don't know how to drive. So right now what I'm doing is like I'm teaching my sister how to drive so that she could get her license in the future,
Yeah,
and she could like help drive
around
anyone
and shit.
around. Yeah.
Yeah. Did you guys just move to LA? Where are you from?
Oh no, dude. I was born and raised here in LA my whole life. Not in
Yeah.
LA specifically, but around LA. And
Yeah.
my parents they come from Mexico. Fucking Guerrero,
Yeah.
Sonora. but I could
Yeah, but they've
lose.
been here for a while though, cause you 22 years then, huh? At
Oh
least.
yeah, 22 years, man.
But you don't want to go to college, is what you're saying.
Right now, I just want to focus on how to trade the market,
Yeah,
and I also like recording videos and editing videos.
yeah,
Music and all that stuff. So I want to explore more of my artistic side.
sure. But no
But
college right now. Just trying to
no,
work and shit. Oh wait, you
yeah,
say you
just
weren't working right now.
Robin.
You say you say you weren't working right now, right?
No, I quit my job like a month and a half ago.
Just cause or just or then or what?
It was causing too much mental stress on me, and
Mm,
I was one of the hardest workers there, and
yeah.
I just felt like I was taken advantage of, and it was making my mental health really bad. So
Damn, bro.
I saved up money, and I'm taking a break at the moment.
But you
And
gotta get back in it.
yeah, so I'm gonna get back in it around June, August, not around June, July time. I'm giving myself like 1 more month to fully concentrate on trading,
Yeah.
and then yeah, I'm gonna go back in it.
But you're not in need of money and shit, right? Your family's good and shit.
No, yeah, we're good, we're good. Thank God, thank you God.
Yeah. All right. Good. 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 I just don't want to be responsible for you like blowing your accounts up, because we in the Discord, but we all taking L's right now. You know what I'm saying?
Oh
So
yeah, dude, like
I don't want you
how
to
much?
like hate the market because I've blown so many accounts up, bro. Sometimes I feel like quitting, and that's why I was telling you, like, nah, don't. I mean, not financial advice, but don't
When you
give up.
blow up an account, do you enter your whole portfolio into a
No, it's just like bad trades after bad trades, So it's just like,
got you?
and bro, it's depressing. It's like really depressing. That's
It's
why I don't know if you've been through it yet. I'm guessing you haven't, but I just want
nah,
to
bro. Like,
prepare you for it because my cousin he started getting into it, and I was like, bro, he was telling me about all his wins. He was in a Discord, and he was making plays, and I was like, bro, just be careful because you're gonna take these L's, and I'm telling you, I was trying to prepare him, but I was like, but the best way you're gonna learn is like actually going through it and experiencing it. And at the time, he had like no idea. Like he was just like nodding, and like being like, yeah, I'm gonna see you when I get there, But then the next time I saw him, I heard that he blew his shit up. So, I mean, I just felt bad for the dude, but I think it's just part of the experience. But the thing is, he got back up. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Like, you're gonna like at some point. I'm not throwing juju at you. I'm just saying at some point you're gonna have a bad trade, and those are the plays you're really gonna learn from, not from the wins, because the wins don't teach you nothing. It's the losses where you're like, fuck, why did I do that? Like, so
dude,
just
I lost like 1,400 at the beginning of the month when I
mhm.
bought Facebook stock before earnings.
Oh shit, like actual stock though, right?
Yeah.
And
So
then you end
here's
just
the
up
thing.
selling it. You just end up taking the L.
Oh yeah, dude. Yep. I
Damn.
bought it at 270. I sold
Mm.
it at like 221.
Wow, bro.
Yeah.
So I guess you had like four shares,
No, I
four
had
shares.
like
Oh,
10.
oh. Were you thinking they
Um,
were gonna beat?
it was a rookie mistake. I'm not playing earnings.
Yeah,
Nah,
nah.
bro. But like in all the reality, it's like I can't afford to blow up my account, dude. Like I
That's what I'm
really
saying.
can't.
Yeah, don't do it. But I'm just saying at some point you might come across that and just know that it's normal. Like, well, no, it's not normal. It's just
Yeah, yeah.
part. It's just part of
I,
the
I
learning
know,
process.
dude.
But just prepare yourself and just like don't mentally destroy yourself when it happens. If it happens, just like get back up and because I think like a lot of people actually like got like real salty about like the retail. Like they lost a lot of money like this first half of the year and like meme stocks and everything. Like everybody was backhoning and they just got a bad taste in their mouth and they stepped away. And so like anytime people mention stock markets, bro, they probably get mad, because they have a bad they just had a bad impression because the rich money like they basically screwed everybody.
Oh yeah, dude,
So,
trust me, bro, trust.
so
Yeah, and you know, like that's why, like, my whole goal right now is to practice proper risk management. So like I'm very high on risk management. Like
mhm,
I do manage my risk very highly.
it's
I could
good.
do better, but yeah, I do like
And I
I'm
think you
trying
probably
to
have it
like
better than me because you were like, bro, cut immediately. And I was like, no, I can't. And you're like, just cut it, cut it, cut it. Yeah,
yeah. I mean like risk management is everything because you could always re-enter at a lower price. So, you know, take the L, the and you know re-enter and understand that there's another opportunity. So the reason why I have a lot of confidence in my trading G is simply because of unusual wells. Like if
yeah,
I truly stick to my rules, to my strategy, and if I
it's
don't
gonna
break
work.
them, you
Hmm.
know, but it has to start with me having discipline, you know. So like, it's
Yeah.
definitely a fucking journey that not everyone could do it, but you know, it's a challenge and the opportunities that the market presents that makes me want to, you know, take it on and not give up,
The
and
only
that's
thing
why.
I don't the only thing I don't agree with your strategy is those high risk, like close to expiration contracts and just playing spy in general. Like I think you see a lot of the trades of like the what if wins, but then I feel like
Oh, yes.
then you'll have like some losses and those are really gonna hurt too, you
Oh,
know.
dude.
That's why I
I
like
think
to
I
play
learned
like
my
more
lesson
casual
too.
ones like Uber, like Ford, like I was just saying, like stuff that you can actually predict the trend a little easier. But with the spy, bro, that shit it's just so volatile, bro. And like right now, it's like insane. Like just the amount of like up and down swings, like it's hard to like actually trade spy. I think maybe like last year, spy was a lot easier to trade because there wasn't so much uncertainty. But like right now, bro, like dude, holding stuff overnight's been killing me. Like I'm gonna try not to do overnight trades. So
Yeah. So I learned my like. So I was looking at Spy in the NQ, and they were going down, right? But Macy's wasn't going down at all. So I was confused, G. I was confused. I was like, wait a minute. If Spy and NQ, the future,
on
it is
Friday
going down, yeah,
or
on
Thursday,
Friday, I was like, how come Macy's is not going down with it? So that's
yeah,
when I understood, oh shit, there's other stocks, there's other place. Not everything moves the way how the fucking algorithms want them to move, you know, like some
yeah,
stocks respect the support. So initially that's what I'm starting to do now. Like, you know, we found the Macy's play on Thursday night and it ran on Friday, and you know that was inspired. So that gave me a boost in my confidence that there's other opportunities and not just ETFs.
yeah. And honestly, I think we're gonna have a green day on Monday. I don't want to jinx it, but I'm just feeling it, bro. We need it. Like I know everybody wants a crash right now, but it's hard, bro. I don't want to crash yet. Like let's crash Q3, Q4, and everybody make money right now. Like one last rally, and then let me go back to NASCAR stock. You wanted to look at it. Um, he said, I'm Canadian. I'm used to the damn cold. Oh man, I hate the cold, especially like my bones. Like I don't know, bro. It's just health and stuff, but like, dude, I be feeling it in my body,
Bro,
my
hold.
joints. But I don't think it snows in California, does it? There was that one time Trippy was talking about it snowing in Texas, which is crazy. He said that it messed up the power grids and stuff. Um, so let me see if we can look at. I got in at $2 average shortly after the press release, and it squeezed 60 cents very quickly. But I honestly thought it could see an afternoon squeeze. Instead, it broke down. Oof. Yeah, right here is what it looks like. He got down here at $2. So kind of on the run up, and then it was kind of consolidating. kind of. I could actually agree with you that it could break out. It was consolidating all day. So it was gonna break up or break down. It looked like it would break up, I guess. Well, I don't know. This is on the 15-minute. So I would actually be bearish. I don't know if you actually sold out, but this had huge volume today. What was the press release? Instead, it broke down. Canadian. No, not recently. We had a really cold spring though. We just skipped it and went straight to summer this year. Yeah, I need some of that, bro. I need some summertime. Well, I don't know about summertime. My favorite season is fall, bro. It's like chilling, Halloween and shit. It's more my birthday and stuff, so I'm just kind of waiting for October. For what IMX, I guess probably gonna want to fill this gap. No, down to 180, back down to 180. I'm not sure if NASCAR still held the position. It looks like it got rejected up at these levels here. Makes sense. I think if it would have broke through, bro, that shit would have gotten dumb. Would have went up to almost $3, 350. Well, those are the key levels that I'm watching. It's 285, 350, and then back all the way up here at $5. That next leg would have been nice. This $5 gap here. So it broke out here. 5. I think that's what I would have expected, but you still there, OJ? What do you want me to call you, man? You looking at flow?
I'm packing my boat.
Oh shit.
Hey, now, brother, but check this out. So I seen a whale buying $9 million worth of QQQ calls. Now, why am I looking at indicators? Why am I looking at QQQ and SPY? Just to see what the whales are doing, you know?
Yeah.
So I could see that they bought in at 940 per contract and they closed out at 770. So this we had more buyers come in today for this call. So this gives me
What up? I think you broke out. You broke up.
So this whale that bought the call expires on June 17. He has a call for 295. So I'm saying that I'm expecting more upside coming towards Monday and Tuesday.
What's the call or put? It's
a QQQ 295 call for June 17.
Oh, okay. I see it here. It's a crossover on my end, but I can.
Oh yeah, it's a cross on my end too. However, if you look at the low of the day, it was 505, and I got that. So if you look at the historical open interest, you can see that this contract has hit highs of $21, and right now it's at a low of 505 and 1022.
Yeah, I wouldn't trade the cross orders, but I did see an order at the end come in for 3,000 on the queue at the 310, like 20 points for June 30th. The milli order at the end. And then you had like them taking profit on these puts, 4 million on profits for the 370 puts. What it looks like they took profits on. And then they bought. See, it's just so hard for me to. It looks like they bought more puts, honestly. It looks like they bought more puts and they sold profits on puts. It's just like so put heavy. It looks so put heavy.
It seems like there's more puts, but you also have calls in there.
Yeah, there is another. Yeah, but they're cross orders though, so that's the thing. I don't follow cross orders.
Oh, yeah. You are right. So, I mentioned. I
So
don't
it
know.
looks like I think it looks like they're taking puts they're taking profits on puts and they're opening up more puts. That's
Uh,
crazy actually. So maybe it's gonna continue to go down because the only bullish stuff that's coming in are cross orders. And like I said, just really
basically
yeah,
hedges and stuff, right?
just ignore the cross ones. That's what they taught me to do. Just ignore them. Because it's basically just like buying and selling at the same time, so it doesn't do nothing as far as like predicting a move. And then again, like everything's on the put side. They're either taking profits and then buying more puts, and then the calls are all cross orders. So just fake noise to make it look like it's bullish, but it's probably bearish. Which kind of sucks because I wanted a green day, and I want a green day.
Bro, we still have other stocks where they're anticipating green. So what I'm saying is that the all those puts that you see come in, all those are like long puts, like they're not gonna expire anytime soon. I mean, some of them are, but fuck, dude. Like, look at there's a 360 put.
Hey, I actually looked at that Ross one too. For some reason, I had these hearted the 73 calls for next week, which are weeklies, zero open interest, basically a 250. Hey, give me 1 second. I gotta check something real quick.
Look at the links I'm gonna send right now. It's for spy.
Yo, what up? I'm back. Oh, did you post something on yeah,
On
I
the
see
due
it.
diligence.
Yeah, see it. This is what the SPY QQ. Which did you want me to look at?
It
Yeah,
wasn't the historical flow.
it's the flow for SPY
Buying
and
QQ.
QQQ. Yeah,
Okay, so look at the if you go down, so sorted by premiums.
I can't on this. What you mean? Talking about on the flow?
Yeah, the flow.
I don't know if you can. Can you sort it by premium?
Yeah, you
Oh,
can sort it by
it's
premium
up here, right?
sizes.
Yeah, I got it sorted by premium. 28 million
All right, so
selling
those
calls.
those are costs. Look at the go down until you see a 360 put bought at 11 a.m. 520.
What's the premium on it? You tell me the premium.
One of 4.2 million.
The 360 put. Yeah, it's a bearish order.
Yeah, you see it.
Yeah.
All right, so like at the spot price, the guy bought it above ask price, dude. It was between 102, 104. He bought in at 105.
Yeah. One thing about the open, like buying above ask, um, there was something on the one of the discords that I follow. If it's a spread, I wouldn't trust it so much because it's a spread. But if it's like a straight up buy to open, then it's more.
Well,
I would believe it
if you look
more.
at the possible related trades, they're all he's selling puts, but he's taking profits on these puts, and he's re-rolling the profits to the 360 because he
Yeah.
sold
Yeah.
375 and 345 puts.
Yeah. Yeah. That
So,
makes
and
sense.
if you look at the open interest, it's 43,000, and look at the volume, 72,000.
Right. So he already had those puts. Is that right? He already had those puts and then he added more to them? Nah.
Somebody had those puts, and yeah,
He
someone bought
closed
more.
them.
No,
What's crazy is the volume. It doubled. Basically 43 open interest, 83 volume. I think next week this is gonna drop down.
what
I think
the
the
OA?
volume. Yeah. Well, I mean, it won't drop down, but I think it'll probably stay around 43. It's not going to double up. Pretty sure half of those got closed out, right?
We'll have to wait and see until
Monday,
yeah.
Monday morning.
I'm actually gonna well track
Yeah.
well track
It is
because
crazy though because everything is leaning bearish on the QQQ
and the spot.
and the SPY too. Yeah. The SPY's showing a lot of. We're gonna filter out this shit though. Gonna go to
Yeah,
25.
so go ahead and filter out the indexes, and now let's look at the stocks. So, all right, G. So now check this out. We looked over SPY. We looked over Q. We have a lot of bearish, but on the long
Mm-hmm.
term. So now when we take a look back at our goose puts, we can
They
see
make more
that.
sense.
Yeah, right.
I like the goose puts. But like I said, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna try to wait for that 21.50.
2150.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to get my position towards there. Unless it already like gaps down. But let's go back to that really quick. Yeah, 21. Yeah. 'Cause I want to see if it gets rejected. If it breaks through, then maybe the whole market's moving up and it pushes with it. So
Most, yeah. That's a part.
it it just had
And
earnings
guys,
though, didn't it? I think it just had earnings. Let
I'm
me
not
just check.
sure.
It looks like it just had earnings. Let me look at their website. Because if it had earnings, then their IV probably came down, and we have a better idea if people are liking the stock or not liking the stock. Let me go to their investors page. Investor relations, and then we'll go to their earnings. Q4 2022 earnings. Here it is. May 19th. Reports physical. So it looks like it already reported. So 223 million total revenue. Where's the comparison? Okay, total revenue increased 6%. And I'm trying to see if they upgraded their guidance and shit. Look at guidance. Guidance. Trying to find, just they don't have any comparisons here. Let's just look at Canada Goose. Because if it's bad guidance, then we could kind of play the downside. Let's look at maybe there's a good article. Is upbeat about the outlook, the stock is jumping. Okay, so they have good earnings, is what it looks like. As the maker of expensive winter clothes offered an impressive outlook for his full year. So it could be bullish. Are you still there?
I'm still here. I'm just grinding weed at the moment.
Oh, go on, King. My bad. I don't know if you're listening though. It looks like they beat earnings.
Oh yeah, bro. I'm listening to you. You were looking at the website.
Yeah,
There was
yeah.
like, yeah. I'm watching what you're doing in the live stream right now. It's like 20
Right.
second lag, but it's still on
Yeah,
point.
I bet. So what I was looking at was the earnings. The outlook is what I guess they're looking at. Impressive outlook for its full physical year, which means I guess it makes sense since winter's coming up then, right? And it actually jumped 11%. So with the strong index, the continuation, well, if the sell-off stops and the market goes on, then this one should break back out. So I guess that can be misleading based off the flow that we got for the end of the year. Expects adjusted. Okay, so here's some expectations. So they expect earnings of $1.60 to $1.90, and the expectations from analysts was 157. So they're gonna be their guidance is higher than what they're expecting also. All right. And then the revenue or the sales is 1.3, kind of in line with their expectations. Okay,
At the
okay.
time, I'm not looking for holding overnights. I'm looking for day trading.
Mhm.
So my initial goal is to get in on resistant levels
Yeah.
if it gets rejected and sell scale out at support and probably let one ride out. You know?
Yeah, I like sorry, I'm trying to catch up on the game. It's about to be over. Um, I actually might like Canada Goose to the upside if the market's strong.
Oh
Uh,
yeah, dude.
if it breaks out above that price target that we talked about.
2150.
Yeah, because the earnings were good, so there's no reason it would go down, you know what I mean? Unless like there's more retail selling pressure. Because analysts or people will buy a stock when they do good on earnings and when they have good forecast. And it looks like they have that going for
Oh
them right
yeah,
now.
they have good fundamentals, and initially that's what
Yeah,
investors look for.
yeah. The way I see
How
those earnings is just some positive steam, like to keep it up. There wouldn't be a reason to sell it because they did their part. So, but
so
now I'm gonna
at
look
this
further.
point we have a bullish and a bearish case. Bullish
Mm-hmm.
case, we go over 2150, market starts to rally.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we have a bullish case. Bearish
Right.
case, we felt we go down.
Rejected. Yeah. And I still believe the flow though, so don't get me wrong. Even though they had a good earnings, even with good earnings,
Oh yeah.
stocks always sometimes fall off. So
Oh, dude,
like there was
it
this
makes
one,
no sense.
yeah, no, like I remember Qualcomm had like a huge earnings like beat, and they ended up selling off. When was this? Was it here? When did I trade this? I think it might have been this right here. Yeah, this earnings was like huge for them. They did good, and they ended up selling off. So just because the earnings are good also doesn't mean that they'll continue to go. So yeah, this looks good though on the little ascending diagonal wedge. I'm just gonna follow that. And then I do like the flow on the goose to the downside because it's got a lot of activity for the July 15th. That's the ones you were looking at too, right?
Yeah, July 15 and also June 17, 22 puts because those have a higher premium. But
Mm. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, Omar said, viewers, comment any tickers you want GGG to break down. Yeah. If you guys have any tickers, we can look at the flow. I think everybody's partying right now, though, bro. So, even Trippy's probably smoking, just chilling. He had the wheat, though.
I'm about to take my hit right now.
Yeah. Don't let me get in the way. I'm gonna just be here chilling. I still want to cover Zoom because I might be bullish to the upside on Zoom, especially if some of the lockdown stuff that people are talking about again, like the lockdown stocks could be a thing again. The monkeypox. Plus, we saw a lot of bullish orders coming in, and it looks like it's working its way back up. So I think it retouches 93, tries to break. It's basically an ascending triangle, right? I don't know if you're following on the stream still, but it's working its way up. So that's what I'm looking at there.
Wait a minute, brother. I small. Yep, it is an ascending triangle. It's gonna retest 2150. That's gonna make it or break it.
Right. Wait, which one you said? 93?
2150.
Oh no, this is
Oh
Zoom,
wait,
bro.
I'm sorry.
Damn,
I'm
you
sorry. My
gone.
bad.
You gone, bro. No,
My bad.
this one's Zoom. This one's Zoom. Yeah, if it can get above 95, really it's I guess 100 too would be the thing, but We'll have to have resistance on there too.
Day
Right
trading
here.
stocks is pretty fun too, man.
Trading shares?
Yeah, you just need like a lot of capital for that though. That's right.
Yeah, but it's like for boomers, bro. I don't trade shares.
What? What?
It's for boomers, bro.
Come on, bro.
Yeah, I don't trade that shit.
Aw, dude. Bro, shares is the way to go, bro.
No, it is. But it's a new age, bro. You know what I'm saying? You don't need so
You got,
much capital, and dude, this thing's gonna break out, bro. I'm thinking, bro.
yo, I'm gonna take a piss. BRB. BRB,
No,
BRB.
I would trade shares though. They had to be like lower. Boom. NASCAR says I'm boomer. I'm boomer again. Wait, how old are you, NASCAR? No, I would trade shares. I would trade like less, like lower. Like I would play cheaper stocks. Like I would play like I'd probably play stuff that you play, NASCAR, honestly. But I would be in and out. I wouldn't be holding that shit long overnight. I would probably play like cheaper stocks like anything from like SOFI. I would day trade SOFI. SOFI is a good one to day trade. Like I actually day traded this one, shares. But I bought some here and I sold some here. So yeah, I wouldn't mind trading shares. I trade options, that's what it is, you know. NASCAR said he's booming again. I'm not. How old are you, NASCAR? What was I looking at? Zoom. I was looking at Zoom. I like Zoom. I don't know why I was putting bearish stuff on Zoom. I'm liking Zoom. I'm gonna put a tweet out for this tomorrow. I guess I could tweet it out right now. Let me look at the stuff for Zoom real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and tweet it out for my guys. For those that follow me on Twitter, consider following me. The 115s, I like those. Go to the trip. This is probably my favorite filter right now. It's just easy to use, and I can like get a better idea of the overall flow. Cross order, bullish order here. Two good orders. Yeah, I like these. I like these two right here. 200K. Hopefully it cuts down on some of the action. Do that. I'm gonna share some flow with some of the gang. Do this real quick. Earnings is coming up next Monday, or this Monday. I'm gonna share this with some of the tweeters. I don't know if you guys follow me on Twitter, but yeah, I think you guys should follow me there. I post plays sometimes. We're gonna check the open interest on this. I mean, you can see it here. The open interest is 260, and actually the volume was pretty crazy. What's the call volume? 41, but kind of even actually. So not crazy, because it had just about the same amount of put. I'm just gonna highlight some stuff that I like here. I like to highlight stuff for people so they know what I'm talking about. And then expand that, so we'll close that out. Close that out. So earnings for, oh shoot. I guess NASCAR doesn't want to tell me how old he is. All good. It's all good. For some reason, these 95s have a lot of activity for 617. Earnings can be pretty difficult to play, I'll be honest. A lot of bullish flow for 520. let's look at the most active chains, and hopefully we can get an idea. So the 617s for 95, bullish. The 95s are bullish too, so it could be that they're closing these. Then these are all expired. That's interesting. I'm gonna mark this out. Active tickers. And I'm gonna mark stuff out for them so we don't have to 613, 620. Okay.
All right, brother, I'm back.
What up? I was looking at the flow for Zoom. I think I'm feeling bullish, to be honest.
I mean, look at everything, all the calls. It seems like they were bought on the ask side. The puts, it seems like they're being sold at the bid side.
Yeah,
So,
so the closing their puts. The ones that I noticed were the 95 puts. They already had a huge open interest, right? So it looks like they're gonna close that 3,000. Like half of the open interest should come down, right? And then
by
they're opening the 95. So they're closing their 95 puts and they're opening up their 95 calls. They're switching sides, is what it looks like to me. And then they're also gonna sell the 120s because maybe they don't expect a huge run up all the way to 120. So that's what I'm thinking. Like it'll be a nice run, but I don't think it'll be a huge enough run that it goes past like 120 is what it looks like. So they're selling calls, which is bearish. That's my initial thought. And then everything else on the chain is bullish. Like the 115s, the 120s. The longer term, it looks like they're bullish for the earnings. The 603s, they're bearish because maybe they don't expect such a big move. I don't know. I'm not going to include that part, but this does make sense. I'm going to play Zoom to the upside. Probably get a what is it called? A put credit spread. Probably do a put credit spread. Get some. Oof, I don't know about a put credit spread. I'll probably do a call debit spread. Yeah. Gonna do that. I'm
I
gonna
don't
copy this.
know
I'm gonna
how
try to
any
get
of
this.
that works.
Huh?
I don't know how any of that stuff works.
Oh, it's just like a way to play options a little cheaper. Trying to think. Do you want to talk for a bit? Cause I gotta write this tweet out. That
Oh, it's so awesome, bro.
hmm?
That's
What up?
awesome. Nah, bro, it just fucking claim hands, dude. This guy's getting like recognition, dude.
Why? What happened now?
Um, some 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 profile account that I've been following for like half a year. He's asking him for like advice, and then the unusual wealth account is like, would love to see you guys work together, and it
Post it
just
in
like,
the screenshot. It. Post it in the Discord.
oh yeah, it's cool.
Cause I can't follow it. I don't know what you're talking about. Damn, bro. Hey, he blew up though. I was talking to him before the blow up though. Earnings, Monday might take. Is it called monkeypox or what's it called?
Yeah, it's called monkeypox. G
Okay.
monkeypox.
I'm gonna say this could gas. Um, higher lows. You go ahead and say something though.
Yo, give a like, give a follow to G. Go ahead and join the Discord. You guys can go ahead and communicate with us
Yes,
24
sir.
motherfucking 7. We are
Yes,
active.
sir. Yes,
We
sir.
are giving out plays before the night. Not really, but we're trying our best to fucking stay up and share as much due diligence. And yeah, man, NASCAR. If you don't have a fucking Discord, download it on your application, and
Make an
come hang out
account.
with us.
Yeah,
You
make
know,
an
you,
account.
you could talk to us. We could communicate with you, and
Mm-hmm.
basically we just interact more, and we just
X.
we just chill, and we learn.
X. X. He's spitting right now. Let the man finish.
And most
Hey,
importantly,
you don't have any other Discords you're in anymore, or what?
homie.
Yeah. No, I think NASCAR did, bro. For real this
Now,
time, though. For real this time, I think he did, though. I mean, it's cool. I appreciate him showing up for a bit. You know?
yeah, yeah, bro. I'm like, fuck, dude. I gotta take a hit of this fucking of this ball so that I could focus and
Yeah. Now you
chill.
good. Now you real concentrated. What was I saying here? Let me make sure I got this shit right.
So for Zoom, you're looking for it to retouch 2450, right? That's the resistance that you have. Can you confirm?
2450? Which one is it?
9450 for Zoom.
Yeah, I was looking at the chain though. I was trying to figure out what the hell. I was looking at. This is most active. Okay. I was looking at the Zoom stuff that I was. Gotta follow the Zoom, please. I kind of closed. No, I closed it out.
Damn, dude. Oh
What up?
shit.
Yeah, I messed up. All right, I can figure it out. 1 second, bro. Nobody's in the stream, bro. We still doing the DD though. The DD's gotta get done
Yeah,
regardless.
bro. Look at dude. Like we're doing this shit for us, dude, and for everyone else. Why? Because we are like at the end of the day, we're trying to grow our accounts. And how do
Mm-hmm.
we do that? We do that by putting into time while everyone is out partying, you know, enjoying their time. We are working and we are fucking putting in that work.
Facts.
Sometimes it's just lonely, depressing, but once you have that money in your bank account, it's like, oh fuck, let me take myself out to go eat. Let me treat myself, let me treat my family, type of shit.
For sure. You spitting right now. I'm trying to get.
Damn.
What up?
Bro. I'm seeing this Tesla put for 625 ex strike price for 625. That's my G. I'm just for flow right now for like big money. Oh, for
Big money.
Zoom. For Zoom,
Zoom.
we got that 95 call 617.
Yeah, that's the one I'm about to plug up right now
Are you
to the
gonna
home.
buy for? Wait, that's just like 820, right?
At 820. No, I was gonna
Yeah.
buy it. I was gonna buy a debit. A call debits.
What's the what's the most that you have spent on a contract, G?
Like $500. I
Damn.
I bought that Wayfair. I don't know if you were in that Wayfair. If you were following me for that Wayfair play. Nah.
Nah, uh,
Yeah, I played
I,
Wayfair for earnings, bro. I made some bread on that.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. Like, what got me following your Twitter account? I seen that like you had God on your bio, and I was like,
Mm-hmm.
fuck it, let me just follow this guy.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah, It's cool though. It's been really encouraging because look at us, bro. It's fucking Saturday and we're over here looking at the flow. I found something pretty interesting, dude.
We're at.
CHPT.
Oh, 1 second. Let me
Um,
finish. Let me get this shit out to the
oh yeah,
public, and then we
yeah.
talk.
Do it. Finish up, bro. I'm gonna smoke up and finish up
My
your what
tweet.
you're doing.
I just gotta do that tweet. I just gotta get this out. Follow flow, unusual wealth, stock, options flow. We're gonna do SPY. What other goes with
You're spy. What?
what goes with
What?
Zoom? Zoom, Microsoft.
Guy.
Hell no. That's not a stock, is it? Buy Microsoft. I'm gonna say Amazon for Amazon Web Services. Fuck it. Alright,
you
I
know,
got Zoom earnings Monday. My take is calls. If monkeypox lockdowns become a thing, this could
hold
gas.
up, hold up. It's Monday.
Yeah, earnings is Monday for Zoom.
Okay, so all of this is all anticipation play.
Mm.
It's all anticipation, bro. That's crazy. Okay, makes sense. Makes
It's a
sense.
TA chart, higher lows for ascending triangle break. Active change looks like closing the 617 puts and opening 617 calls. Let's go. Post that shit. Alright, I got that shit out. Now I can, dude, I'm at like, yeah, I've been posting some shit on them. We chilling right now. I posted it. If you guys want to follow me, I have free DD on here sometimes. Ooh, who wants to be my 400 follower? Got 399. You can follow me for 399 right now. I just posted that Zoom stuff though. See if I can. Dude, my back is killing me right now. Dude, it's
Hey, bro,
crazy though, cause
you
just
smoke
the
that
other
hard?
day. Not right now. I was gonna say the. It's crazy though, cause like I just posted bearish flow for Zoom, and now I'm switching sides, bro. But that's how it be. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, bro, you gotta be ready for both sides. So that's what I'm telling you, bro. Like, so one thing that I do is I look at the calls and at the puts. So I look at the calls that has the highest premium, and I look at the puts that has the highest premium for that week, for that expiry date. So for like a 6-day expiry contract for cost. So I add it to my watch list, and you get ready for both sides.
Yo, my chart looks good as fuck. I don't know if you following it. Keep it on the tweet.
Um, oh shit, you're on the tweet. All right, bet.
But I feel you. You gotta be ready for both sides. That's what I'm saying.
All right, Zoom earning Monday. My take is cost.
Yes,
Wait,
sir.
a monkeypox. What does that have to do with some? Oh,
Lockdown.
I get it. I get it.
Cause you
Well,
remember, huh?
I don't see a lockdown, but it will definitely boost the Zoom activity.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
So you're
No, it
pretty
would
much
just be like pre run up or pre anticipation in
so
case they lock
so
down. People
so
gonna start loading.
you're like buying the rumor, correct?
Yeah, yeah.
Got you. Okay. I see.
See, yes, sir. Cause the monkeypox just became a thing right now. So go ahead and load up on your stuff, and then when it doesn't lock down, you sell your shit. But you already be taking profits. I don't know though. I was just asking about the chart. It looks like it's coiling up, making those higher lows. Sir, feeling good about
Oh,
that one. The only thing
I,
that kind of threw me off was the overall flow levels.
dude, hold up, bro. I'm just really excited, bro, because there's another play.
Oh wait, dude. See, this is what's throwing me off. This freaking puts for next week.
Bro, okay, if it's pushed for next week, it's because it's probably going to be anticipation of more downside. But if it's call side, it's probably for Monday, for the fucking run up. Like, I feel like some of these whales are day traders as well, and they don't hold anything, for like a week.
Mm.
Well, some of them do, bro, obviously, because you can track them. But for the day traders, you see that, like, you have more bearish activity for 527.
Yeah, there's more bearish activity. So
Wait,
maybe buy the rumor, sell the
what? That's
news.
for Zoom, right?
Yeah, so just am I man so contradicting, no? It's contradicting, bro, cuz
It's
we
not
were just
contradicting.
we were
Oh,
just bearish on the SPY and stuff.
well, yeah, I'm still bearish, but like that's why you have to day trade these contracts because they're not meant to be hold throughout the whole day. It's a quick trade. It's a quick 1 hour trade or 3 hour trade for the most part. And I know that sometimes the flow could be contradicting, but that's why I feel like that's where the charts and technical analysis come in play because you're able to prepare for both sides.
Right. We just chilling right now.
Now look up CHPT,
All
$10
right, we had to look at that one. What's the ticker? C
CHPT.
charge point?
Yes, sir.
Oh shoot. Hey, what the puts? They're buying puts on this? Oh, they're selling puts.
Oh shit.
Hold up. Hold up. I usually don't follow charge point before because they had a lot of cross trades, but these are actually legit orders, my guy. It could be that they're selling these puts for. Actually, no. Hold up.
No, they're
Hold up.
selling the same. Are they rerunning their puts?
You know what this could be? You know what this could be? This is a put debit spread. It
It
looks
could be
like. This looks like a put debit spread. I can't believe this is at $10 though. Let me look at the open interest first. Oh shoot. 75K volume, bro? Damn. That's the tens, right?
Yes.
Oh, I'm gonna slap those on the watch list for Monday for sure. The 7 puts, they're the
So they
same
got the
too.
chart. The
The
chart is
7.
very bearish as well.
Is it? Where'd you
It
find
is.
this at?
I'm doing my flow hunting right now, buddy.
The whale watching, Brit.
Yeah. Sir.
It looks bullish though. Well, chart looks bullish. I think what it is, I think they might be taking profit, my guy.
Well, actually, I was looking at it from the daily chart. I didn't look at it from the 30 minute. Yeah, that shit is like a mad uptrend, bro.
It does look like an uptrend. I think it bounced off the previous lows, but then it kind of was like a bear flag too, no? Oh shit.
Oh.
No, it's
Well,
not
I
a
mean,
bear. It's
it's
not a
looking
bear
high
flag.
highs and lower lows, so that's pretty bullish to me.
This is bullish. It looks like it wants to gas back up to 1250, 1260.
Huh.
I think it looks good. It closed
It does
above the
look
weekly.
good. It does look good, bro. This looks like a bullish play. Now, Goose does
That's
not
what I'm
look good,
saying. Yeah.
but
Did this furrow
CHP.
look bullish to you, or you just want to?
No, bro. Like I was just looking at the. So, like, what caught my eye for this one
Mm,
is that you have 20,000 open interest and you have 75,000 volume. So right
get some
away,
clout right
like
here.
that, like when you look at the
Hold on, my
historical
homie.
data,
My the homies. One second. Let me. The homies asking. Oh shit! How do you click on this? The 40 puts for Zoom for 527. That's no good, man. He's asking about these. Oh no. Hey, help me out with this. My man's lost. Friday, May 20, the Zoom 40 puts for this week. It looks like they closed them. I would say, right?
For Zoom, can you send me the link?
Yeah, I'll show you. I'll share it. I'll post it. Oh, it's on my tweet. Just go to the reply.
All right.
But it looks like the ones that he's sharing are $40 puts, which are like unlikely in my opinion, especially for weeklies. I doubt Zoom goes down to 40. That'd be insane. That'd be a 50% drop, right?
Yeah. Well, look it. Even though the strike price is 40, my guy, they're not really anticipating that it's gonna go to 40. They
Mm-hmm.
just, they're just buying something that has a lower
Mm-hmm.
because it's farther out of the money.
Mm-hmm.
How? So at this point, like they're not, they're not gonna.
Hold them through to
Yeah, they're just gonna trade the premium at this point. That's what they're doing.
right. So I'm thinking Monday they probably have these closed. So I'm thinking that OI is not going to increase. It could. It could be 3K open interest next week, and then
Or
that
it
would
could be
be,
200 OI.
huh? Or it could be
Or
zero,
it could
right?
be 200.
200.
Yeah, because we have 400 OI, we have 600 volume. Well, 1,600,
Mm-hmm.
so just.
Yeah, just a difference. So it could, the OI would drop or the OI is going to increase. That would be something to watch.
So if they hold, then they're so anticipating. But even then, like, this isn't such a big purchase where it's like such a big money, like it could be a retail trader at the same time. Just I don't
He's,
know, bro.
bro, he straight up threw a few different things on here. He threw some QQQ, bro. He just put a plate together and just sent it my way.
Well,
Uh,
he's not wrong, bro. He has the same thing that we do, bro. Like we have a lot of QQQ puts, that
yeah, these are
he's not.
the only thing about these though, these are 12 for December. So I don't think those are short-term expected moves. You know what I'm saying? These are for December 16th this year. I think if
For
he
the
would have
call.
shared some for the QQQ ones, they're for December. So that's like 7
No,
months out.
that's for. Oh yeah, 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 yeah.
I wouldn't really consider those for like close short-term price movement.
No, but I'm tracking another well where they got in at $16 a contract, and it's up at like 22, $25 a contract, and they haven't sold.
Damn.
It's a QQQ put as well. So I'm
Uh,
pretty sure that they're still holding for because they're anticipating more downtime before expiration date.
but one of the homies blasted me with some stuff real quick. What is this?
Fuck.
105 milli call at ask 527. Yeah. Where's that at? Oh, I think this guy uses a different platform. Is it SI bot 5 milli? Yeah, I think that's the one that we were talking about, no? No, it's not the ones that we were talking about. I think he uses a different platform. Zoom call at ask 103 1990 open spread. Let's look at the what contract is this? 527 103 call. Zoom call at ask 103 91 36. 103 expiration at 27. 103. I'm gonna look at the 103 contract really quick for
Yeah,
Zoom.
that's what I'm gonna look at too, bro.
Because he said there was a 1 milli order on there. It didn't come in here though for some reason. 103.
that's kind of strange.
Yeah, how does that one show up on his platform but not on the usual Wells platform? 27, 103 calls. It didn't show up here, bro. What the hell? Is that from today or from Friday?
That's from 5/19/2022. That's why.
Oh yeah. Okay, That's why I didn't see it. Probably. Let me go back.
I see it. I found it.
Found it.
Yeah. I saw 1 million.
It's still there.
Yeah, I found it.
Oh yeah, I saw it too. The floor trade bullish 1900. It's a spread though. So they bought the 103s. They bought the I don't know what this means. Let's look at the open flow on this shit.
I think this guy gets hedging, bro.
Did you open up the spread?
Yes, I did. It's he has a $90 put.
And then he's also selling the.
Well, he sold the $90 call, but he bought the 103 calls for 6-day expiry, the same day that the puts expire. So he's either hedging for either side. But he bought more towards the cost side.
Another thing that he could have done was when you buy and sell a call, it's usually a spread. So like what would that be? That would be
It's funny how people just fucking hit you with all these fucking like pictures and shit.
Who does?
It's just like FinTwit, you know? They're just like, oh, look at this. And
is FinTwit Twitter?
Yeah, bro. FinTwit stands for Financial Twitter.
Are you talking about they hitting me personally or just like on the homepage?
No, on your ZM tweet where someone was like they're like replying, sharing stuff with you.
Yeah, that's cool. I like to see that because I think some people really don't interact with my shit, so it feels good to get some activity in there. Like I think the more people that start following me, then probably get more people in the Discord and just be more active, you know? Yo, this shit's funny as fuck. This GIF right here, the bull. Have you seen it?
Which one?
The one with he's sharpening up the horns. Oh my!
Are you seeing it on your computer screen?
Yeah.
Sorry. Oh, that.
It's funny as fuck, bro. That's me, bullish as fuck right there, and it started dumping. Because it's a bull market, bro. But
let's get it, brother. It's just up or down. Let's make a win today.
Yeah, let's just take that win. But man, shit was rough that day. So what they talking about with these right here? The 105s? Damn, that's why I need them in the Discord so I can get a better idea. 105 milli order. I don't really know how to read this one, to be honest. Looks like the volume was higher than the open interest. Most of that held overnight. And the puts, they did 800, but they didn't hold most of those. Only like 500 of those. The 90s, they closed. They opened up or sold. What you thinking on the Zoom? I'm still gonna lean bullish, and that 19.
Just be ready for both sides, you know. Just like that's all we could really do. Just prepare for both sides.
Sure. Plus that order he sent is bullish anyway, so it's on. I think he's agreeing with me. That's what it is. I like these right here. These this 1000 and this 1950. This 950. What I like. Buy to open. Feel it. I feel it. I'll respond to them in a bit. We're streaming right now. I'm trying to finish. I think I'm gonna finish up the charge point. Do you have any other ones after that, or you just want to chill on the Discord? My back is killing me.
I don't have anything else right now. That's all I have.
I do like this chart. You know what's crazy actually? You know how you saw all that bearish stuff for charge point? The premium is bullish as fuck up at the top, 68%. Which kind of lines up to our charting. What we're saying, the chart looks good.
Yeah, it does. The chart looks good. It's some uptrend.
Right. So it looks like they're, what they doing? Buying the puts, but they're selling the puts. Oh shit. This 50,000. Did you see this 50,000 one? $14. The $14 puts. They had 50K open interest, and they basically, I think, closed all of them.
Hold up, bro.
Yeah, the $10 puts. It's the 1.39.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's got a $14 strike put on here that looks like they closed out Friday. I think the bull run's here, bro. I think about shit's about to get crazy, bro.
Yeah, you ready for both sides?
Yeah. You know what this reminds me of? Like, I think I said this in this Discord before, but oh shit, what is this? Soy? I meant to do SPY. It looks like this shit right here. This, whenever the invasion came, people bought it up, then it came back down to the invasion, and then people bought it back up. It kind of looks like this double bottom right here. I don't know if you're watching on the screen, but right here we had that double bottom. And technically it was a triple bottom because we had the action back here. So, I mean, if we can get back up here above 380, 390, I would say, it would be another double bottom. I don't know, bro. I'm feeling a little bullish. Feeling bullish.
I'm feeling bullish only to a certain extent.
Yeah, to an extent. To 410. If we break 410, well, to 400 first. Let's take baby steps. Like, we basically got back up under here. Like, if we break about 400, then come back up 410, and push all the way up to 26, bro. It's GG after that. Let me clear this up right here. Bow. Right there. Come down. Up. Down. Bullish. That's what it looks like right there. I'm gonna post this on the Discord so I can just have it as proof. That's what I'm seeing. What about you? What you feeling?
Bro. Oh my god.
What happened?
Wait a minute. Oh, that's so interesting.
You found something?
Oh no.
What happened then?
Let me see your screenshot.
You bet.
Look at the Discord. Look at the Discord.
I'm gonna share with the crowd right here. The 3 people that are in here. What's going on? Plus, if you guys want to join the Discord, where is it? Let me post the Discord link. I'm gonna post the Discord link again. So they have it, you know. We whale watching right now. I think that was a funny ass title, wasn't it? Whale watching?
Yeah.
Yo, am I missing about the GGPI stock? What up, Core? What's going on, bro? Hey, here's the free Discord. Actually, I just talked about GGPI and the Discord earlier. I don't think it's some stuff you. It's tinfoil hat. Did you have anything to add, or you were gonna share something, weren't you, or no?
It was just a flow that I seen on the SPX.
Oh shit, I was gonna look on it. Where was it? Oh, you put it on Vibes chat. SPX. Oh, selling calls.
But like it, bro, way below bid, bro. The bid and ask was 158, 162. They sold at 120, dude. Major loss.
Oh shit. And they bought the puts too.
Bro, they would have hold if they were anticipating, you know? I
It
don't
came
know.
at the end of the
10
night.
for
At the
hat,
end of the day.
10 for a hat, bro. Bro, they still have 27 days to expiry, bro. 6/17. That's a big. I don't know, bro. I'm feeling bearish, dude. Ooh.
I'm feeling bearish too, but I need it to be bullish so I can get out
No,
on my
bro.
shit.
I need it to be bullish so that the buds could be fucking cheap. You know, give me a discount on SQQQ type of shit. You feel me? But bro, look at this,
Yeah.
dude. Like,
Hold on,
bro,
let me hook up
the
Gore real quick at
puts
some
were bought
GGPI.
above ask, bro. Like,
Yeah, that was a good catch on that.
oh my god, bro. Brother.
Um Gore,
Brother.
Gore, what's up with the GGPI stock? What you thinking,
Wait,
man?
what?
Gore's
But it
asking
has,
about GGPI.
oh, they're adding more positions to it, bro.
To what?
And to the SPX puts. That's because everybody had open interest of 4K and 15K.
How do you know
But
it's
I let,
not selling them? I
why?
mean, it's,
Because, well, I'm going to have to wait till Monday, of course, but I'm going to keep track of these.
yeah. Hey, what's going on, Gore? What are you thinking about GGPI? Honestly, you might not want to hear what I have to say. I had some tinfoil hat earlier on Discord. I don't know if you're in Discord, but there was some Discord thinking here. Let's see, where's it at? Alright, so what I was saying on Discord earlier, let me expand this. Alright, so I saw some bearish flow come in for GGPI June 17. 4,000 volume puts for the $7.50. Okay. It's the most activity that came in on Friday. You can see there was some volume to the call side, but everything is still kind of in the middle, slightly more bearish for June. The red, this is basically the bar indicator. You can use the link that I pinned at the top if you want to check out unusual whales. But the premium is mostly bearish to the call side, right? These are the ones that have the most interest, the 11,000, 7,000, 7,000. So kind of in the middle, slightly more bearish, and then to the put side, everything's bearish. So this came in on Friday, 4,000 contracts for $7.50 for June. And so what I was thinking is if it breaks under $10, then it might come down to like 8. And the only reason I think that is just because there were a few tickers that actually like sold off before the merger, like, which is really surprising, right? Because we have the $10 NAV redemption level. But there are a few tickers, like for example, Virgin Orbit, which is VORB. That one sold to like 9 before the merger. And then which is the other one? The other one that I was seeing was Tritium, DCFC. Their shareholder meeting was January 12th. And these actually sold off to about $8 like January 10. So I'm thinking that, I'm not saying, but I'm thinking that they might come down to about $8 or $9, which would just be an opportunity because I think $8 would be fine. It'd be a good price. Let me show you the flow that I saw now though. So I was gonna work on a video for this, but I've been having like some pretty bad back pain, so I haven't made any videos. But here's the flow that I saw. This was on Friday, by the way. Just gonna filter out GGPI real quick, and we're gonna reset. So that is what I was seeing, man. You can see the premium is mainly bearish, 56%, and it's actually on the call side. So again, it's probably just institutional selling calls, covered calls, like they're just collecting premium in the meantime. So they're selling like, which is actually weird too, because they're selling the 750 calls. So it looks like they're willing to get rid of their shares at $7.50 for some premium. So he said merger's coming soon. The call is at good price. 17 June $10 calls, just 8.6 times dollar. Those are the ones. These, right? Those actually have a lot of open interest. So there's a lot of people either holding those calls or back holding those calls. The volume is 2,300 for Friday. So this could go up on Monday to about 9K open interest, which would be bullish, but we'll have to wait for Monday to see how those play out. The ones that I was talking about though are the 750 puts. Let me see if I can find them. They're right here. These 750 puts, they had these are the ones that I was watching. I'm gonna do by size 50. So these are all the orders that came in for the put side, and this was all on Friday. 520 at 1326. You can see these are probably the same traders. As you can see, the time frames are like pretty. Some of these have the same time stamp because there's the same buyer or the same seller, but they're buying puts for 617 for $7.50. And they're buying these in like small increments, I guess, to like stay under the radar. Yeah, but the puts are bearish. This is most of the activity I saw. You said because compare cap with Lucid or Rivian, it might be up to 14 above. Yeah. Right now, Polestar should have a 20 billion market cap, and Lucid probably is gonna have what? We can look that up real quick. All right, OJ, I'm just gonna quickly handle the GGPI question. Lucid, I think, has like a 36 or 20. What does it have? Yeah, 30 market cap, 30. So yeah, so GGPI can still go up. I just think in the short term they might try to push it down.
Yo.
What up?
Never mind. Go on.
Yeah, I was just telling them, the only reason I say that though is because I saw this flow come in. I'm not bearish on GGPI, I just think maybe they might try to sell it or short it before merger. Just to get some redemptions and stuff. But I don't know yet. Just gonna wait. I might actually buy some of these, they're cheap. They're like super cheap. They're buying them at 14 cents, 14 bucks. I'm gonna buy a few of these actually just to see if they multiply. But yeah, no, long term I think GGPI is gonna do good. Their market cap should be probably go up to about 14 or 15 like you said. Yeah, that makes sense. We're gonna have a 20 billion market cap at 10, then about another about $15 if we want to trade at the price that Lucid trades. Well, the market cap that Lucid trades is 30. And I wouldn't really compare it to Rivian because Rivian's a little bit different, but yeah, I agree with you. It should be around $14-15, like realistically. If people can hold these at these valuations, like if Rivian and Lucid holds at these valuations, then GGPI should hold. I was just saying that in the short term they might try to push it down because of this flow that I saw, but it's not a huge order. It's like 4,000 contracts. So just look into this if you guys are interested. And like I said, it looks like they're still selling all the calls for they're selling calls to collect premium. So what do you think? Does that make sense, or do you guys agree? And I can show you guys. DCFC was the merger one. Let's see, where's it at? Go to the daily. Here's when it was selling off. This was like 2 days before the merger actually got approved. You can see it was trading at, it came as low as 870. All right, and then it merged on the 12th here. So it opened at 9 and it closed at 9:30. So that's what I'm just saying. It's just a possibility. It's just some tinfoil hat. And Vorb did the same thing actually. Vorb, where's it at? Vorb, I think, merged on the 28th here. And they actually traded as low as $9 like a few days before that. So I think it could come down, but I honestly believe more fundamentally in GGPI than Vorb, so that's why I kind of added some of the new levels down here, because I think would come down to 965. Just because it's getting shorted and stuff. What do you think though, Gore? Are you still there? Let me know your thoughts, bro. I think it could probably come under 10 though. It probably will come under 10. And if I can, I'm gonna make that video tomorrow just to explain stuff a little bit better, but I think I tried to explain it pretty good right now. My back's been killing me, so like honestly I wasn't gonna stream either, but trying to get some flow work done. So what up, OJ? Did you oh shoot.
I was looking at SC Limited, but
SC Limited? Yeah.
Yeah.
What happened with it?
So I'm looking at, there was some calls open right before market close. We have some of these calls.
Looks bullish right now. Call volume, slightly more bullish premium. Oof. These buy to open 82 for next week. They're kind of close to the money though, so I don't know how much that means. I do like these 91 calls for 2 weeks out. Did you see that one? 91.
Right?
Huh?
For June 3rd?
Yeah, the June 3rd.
Yeah.
Looked nice.
So the spot price was like 163.
Yeah. And then there was 2 orders on this one actually. There was the
Bro,
buy to open.
Wait, it has a high of $7, dude.
Oh, you already looked them up?
I'm looking at the open interest.
Yeah, the open interest was 79.
Yeah.
This one hadn't been traded before, I guess.
Well, now it's going to be traded because they got the fucking volume, man.
Yeah, the volume 3,000 kicking in.
What do you think?
Yeah.
This is a play or what?
Yeah, for sure. No, if market bounces, this is gonna gas though. I think they had earnings too already. Let me look at their earnings. They did good on. Yeah, they had earnings, right?
This was a play already.
Let me quickly pick up the. Oh, Heat took it again, boy. They need to stop playing with the Heat. What am I doing? C limited.
The 91 cost 663.
Those look, yeah, these are nice. You know what's crazy? I already had those hearted. I mean, but it's not. I hadn't taken a look at them yet. So you pointing them out. It's good. It's good. Shares of. Where's the earnings? No earnings or what?
Fucking
I wonder if Gore is gonna help me. I was trying to explain stuff. I don't know if he picked up on what I was trying to say. What up?
Alright, I'm just making sure that you can hear me because I have my phone locked.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Alright, perfect. Awesome.
Yeah, you seen Trippy post this freaking Peter meme?
Yo, Trippy gotta get back on, bro. I forgot to quit fucking around.
Hey, tell him. I think he's just watching the stream. That's what he's just in the corner. He's just watching on the corner. He's watching the stream. So I don't know if Gore Gonna respond to me, bruh. Let's go to C Limited page. Where's the earnings? Oh, here's their earnings, bruh. They beat on everything. Damn. So they had good earnings. So they might keep gassing, bro. Honestly.
But it's just this is a good play, bro. It's 163
For a
for
couple
the
weeks.
premium.
Yeah, it's cheap. And it's close to the money, honestly. What how close to it is it? Oh
Ten
no.
dollars off.
Hell no. That's not close, bro.
But LG, so what does it mean when it's out the money and in the money?
In the money?
So in the money means that it hits the strike price.
If you buy something that's in the money, it's already like, let's say um the stock is trading at 91 and you get a contract that's at a $90 strike contract, then that contract's in the money because it's already past the strike price.
Above the underlying price, correct, of the strike.
Yeah, so like it's trading at 91. If you buy a 90, you're buying an in the money call. If you buy a 92, you're buying an out the money call because it hasn't hit that price. But once you're 91, once the stock goes from 91 to 92, then that 92 becomes in the money.
And like, what makes it special when it hits in the money? Like,
It just starts trading less volatile and it holds its value more. So it's not as crazy. What up, bro?
Oh my god, what's up?
Dude, you seen that game? What happened? They pulled through with it? They pulled through with it or what?
I'm telling you, bro, without Jimmy Butler, come on, man.
They know better, bro. They sleeping.
What did I tell you, GC?
I think one of my homies is a Celtics fan, so
You're
one of the
Mojo?
guys. Nah, I haven't talked to Mojo in a while, honestly. Rip. I'm looking at this earnings for C Limited. Isn't
Are you
it the
still
meta?
out here now?
Yeah,
bro,
we're live,
we've been
bro.
searching flow, bro.
We've been whale watching, bro. We've been whale watching. Ain't that right? Ain't that right, OJ?
Alright, but I'm gonna go tuck up and then look at the beauty.
We
You're
need
gonna
some
go
of
do
your
what?
fucking.
What is he doing? Play Zoom flow at 9 with potential buy to open. Hey, look. The homie's looking at the flow for us too, though. Ant-Man.
Yes. BRB. Be right back.
Yo, hey, wait, hold up. My man was already on it. Now we feel like we copied their play, bro. Yeah. We didn't copy the play, though. Damn it. Hey, if you guys want to follow me and be the 400 follower, appreciate it. We just posted the Zoom DD in here. We got an ascending triangle here. And we got some bullish premium coming in, some bullish orders coming in. We're going to watch this volume and see if it holds on Monday. And then looks like they're closing these 95 puts, opening up these 95 calls. And if you guys want to look at the whales on your free time, I've posted a link to the unusual whales. You can get 5% off. So that's the little plug there. Hope you guys enjoy it. Now we're just gonna keep scrolling. Sheesh. This was a perfect bear flag. Yeah, I remember that. That's a beautiful example, actually. Let me retweet that. That's a beautiful example of a bear flag. Are you bullish on crypto, Trippy, or not? Oh, he's packing that bull right now. Give him a second, y'all. Give him a second. We well watching with the squall right now. Am I right, Trippy? Dude, my back is killing me though. Probably should end the stream soon. Oh shoot. GGPI, man, been taking a beating, bro. Move this up here.
I'm back.
Yo, I was saying, Clayham's actually posted the Zoom DD way earlier than us, bro.
Oh no, bro. The Zoom DD has been being, dude. It's been getting passed or like shared around Discords, bro.
That's what I'm saying, bro. We late. I'm out here, and now it looks like we copying plays, man.
Oh no,
Wow.
bro.
I didn't had no idea, bro. I had no idea. I just seen it right now.
No,
Yeah, now
bro.
it's getting passed around like Trippy's ex-girl, bro. Come on.
Is Trippy still here?
Huh?
Oh yeah, yes, I bet. Now, bro. Like what they call. I seen someone share this yesterday on the Unusual Wealth Discord. Are you on there?
I have it. I'm not active.
If you people share flow ideas and shit.
Yeah. I wasn't active, bro. I was knocked out. Hey, did Trippy dip? What was he doing?
No,
I was telling him we whale watching right now. Hey, that's a
just my
clean
favorite.
ass thumbnail, bro, ain't it? We whale watching right now. Fire ass thumbnail. Whale watching with the squall.
Fuck AMC and JME.
I got no DD on AMC. The DD on AMC's been done, bro.
Buy and hold.
Yes, sir. Buy and bag hold. Yes, sir. Hey, I do want to look at this SE flow though. I'm liking these calls, bro. Everybody's coming in on these buy this 1500 floor. Did we talk about that one? Let me make sure. Yeah, the 270, 279 call. Premium. Yeah, I like this one, bro. I'm gonna look at the overall sentiment for it real quick. With the overall sentiment. Low levels. Look at the premium. Premium's bullish, bro. Super bullish. For next 2 weeks, 3 weeks. The next 2 weeks is bullish. So everything's on the ask side. And calls are leading the way. Call premium. I'm gonna get me some buy. I'm gonna get me some of this C limited. Honestly, bro. Honestly. I
You
would
can share
post.
that play. I mean, check if someone has shared it.
I mean, I would share it anyway, but I'm just tired as fuck right now. If my back's killing me, dude, I think I need to go do some exercises to like stretch or something. I'll probably end up streaming here. We can just chat. Cause Trippy ain't sharing no DD, bro.
I shared a lot of DD actually.
Nah, bro, you held up on that Twitter play until it started running, bro.
I told you about it. I gave you enough time.
Nah, it was market close. It does look bullish though. It still looks bullish if it can get above what we talked about this level, $39.
I would like the chart. Okay. Oh wait.
It's got two gaps. This one's
Buy wheat stock. Okay.
buy weed stocks.
Yeah.
I like Twitter though. I like Twitter because look, it's doing that sideways stuff, but OBV is picking up.
Calls are expensive right now, right?
Think so?
Huh?
You're the one with the plays.
Well, how does it look right now?
The premium for Twitter.
Yeah.
Let me check it out real quick. What flow you looking at, OJ? Bro, how do you want me to call you? What do you want to go by? Cause
Who, me?
yes, sir.
OJ.
OJ, is that what they call you, or OAJ?
Well, you could call me OJ.
What do you go by though? Cause
OJ XYZ.
XYZ.
Well, that's my real account, but my burner account is Ant, short for Anthony.
Oh, right. I might keep it as OJ then.
Yeah. OJ. So I'm using the anchored OBB. Is that okay using the anchored one?
I don't know what that is. What does it mean?
I don't know.
Are you
I guess
you watching videos on OBB right now?
not at the moment.
Trading View? Oh, are you adding it to your thing or what?
Yeah, on Transpider.
What is anchored OBB? Let's see. It might be the same thing, bro. It's
Getting
just
water.
probably, huh?
BRB. Getting water.
Yeah, I think it's the same thing. I never heard of anchored though. And we're closing the C Limited. I think they did good on earnings. That's what they said. You bullish on crypto, Trippy, or not? Oh, Lord.
Not at the
Bro.
moment. Why? Is Bitcoin looking like a good setup right now?
I was asking because I think you were following crypto last time. Baby Doge.
Yeah, I was, I'm out of it though.
You already made your profit.
Oh yeah, a while ago.
What are you doing right now? You rolling one up
And no, I just did actually, but I'm looking at the DD right now.
on your computer or what?
Yeah.
But you don't trade though. You be trading?
Um, if it's worth it, I'll do it.
So did you trade Twitter for real, or are you just calling it out?
Um, I called it out, and if you took it, then you're still up, right? Whoever
Yeah,
took that call, they could have they could have made something good.
for sure. I'm sure they did though. I'm sure they made some bread. Bro,
Yeah.
C Limited looks good as fuck. I think I might play some C Limited. I don't know what they do though.
Back.
Hey, that C Limited looks good, bro. It's an internet mobile platform company. Provision of online gaming services. Operates through digital entertainment, e-commerce, digital financial service. It's trading at $80. I like this one. I guess, man, I'm gonna go ahead and call this one out too, bro. Fuck it. Do it.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. Everything's on a downtrend, G.
Yeah,
Kind of scary.
but we got some up. Wait, what do you mean downtrend?
Yeah.
We just saw these bullish ass plays for 2 weeks out.
I know. But those are just gonna be like rally plays.
Yeah. No, this time I'm gonna take profits for sure, bro. Like last time I didn't. I messed up, you know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
I like C Limited though, bro. The only thing I would do differently with these is just get more time. I'd probably go for like the 17s and not the 6s. Not the 3s, you know.
Well,
What's
If they
up?
have volume, it's a good thing. If they don't have any volume,
Yeah, but it's just that data burn. It's gonna kill me.
that's why you wait until it hits the top. You don't buy it right away, right?
Wait, say that again?
That's why you wait until it hits a resistance point before buying in. Like that
Mm-hmm.
data will be like in your favor.
Yeah. Yeah, you would buy the or you could buy the support, right?
Oh, yeah, we're talking about cost. My bad. That was on my first. My bad. But yes, yeah, same thing.
Yeah, you could just buy the support. Bro, C limited looks bullish, bro. I looked at the chart too. Looking good.
Go back to the page you were in. Was the bar graph?
Oh, go back where?
Oh, never mind. It's all good.
Nah, I'm back. Where did you want me to go? Bar graph. Oh,
Where it showed the intraday chart and the number of contracts that were being put. Nah, but it does look bullish, bro. Looks very bullish.
yeah, I was looking. I'm gonna move back over to the chart. If it can get back above $80, bro, bullish. Well, yeah. If it can get above 80, it can run up to about 90, bro. Then it probably has some resistance there, but yeah, I like C limited, bro.
Oh shit! That's
What up?
crazy. Someone was sharing a contract with Sega. Remember the ticker Chibi was talking about?
Yeah. Does that one have contracts?
Mm. Well, someone won 400%. So it's like they knew that's
That's
get back
cool.
in.
That's crazy how you said that when I was about to click send on my watch list for the week.
The Matrix is real.
Hey, I'm gonna try to plug in the Discord. Yeah, we found this on the Discord. What else was on there? Bullish flow, buy to open. Wasn't it buy to open? Yeah, buy to open orders. BTO, buy to open. Calls for 527 and what was the other one? 663. Um, let's go. I gotta go back to this. Yo, I do like to see limited play though. Good call out, bro.
Yes, sir. It was through the flow, thanks to unusual wells.
I gotta find this thing. Where's it at? Copy this real quick. Slap it on here.
I forgot to say, I have Mullen on the sideline. Um, I'm not sure if
What's C limited? What is that like? I'm gonna put Microsoft again. Click it. I'm gonna take this out though. There we go. But enter. You got Mullen on the sideline? Let's see. I'm gonna do Apple on here. Bitcoin. Let me do Bitcoin. I think it's got
Yeah, really so good.
Bitcoin Cash Pizza Day. You guys know anything about?
You need to talk about the apes. Come on, man.
What do you want to talk about? Apes, which one?
You know, make a video for them.
Well, I should probably slap Tesla on here too. Fuck it. Let's go. Bitcoin and is that right? Buy to open calls. 3K volume. Check more flowing. Let's go. Bullish. Oh, I should have said which levels to watch. Oh well. They can look at the chart. I think the levels on there, I put them on there, yeah. About 80. Watch 80. Break out to about 90. Alright, we good. You say you want to talk Bitcoin? No, you want to talk Mullen.
Yeah. I forgot I had a share position in it. So I still believe in it.
Oh, you said Sega, right?
Yeah.
Actually, Sega was gassing on Friday, bro. Eesh. Non-stop. Let's look at the top level resistance. See where she's at. You think she got more gas left in the tank? Oh yeah, bro. There ain't nothing on here.
I think if
Clear
it's still
skies,
on,
bro. This thing's got, yeah, clear skies, no?
no resistance, baby.
Resistance, bro. That's how I like my stocks, bro. No resistance. Hey, do you think that was a good game or no?
Huh?
You think that was a good game or no?
Yeah, it was without Jimmy Butler. It was like an F. Good game.
I didn't get to watch it, bro. I'm gonna catch the recap though. Let's believe. You think they take him out in?
I'm gonna have it.
Huh?
Huh?
You think they take him out in 4?
5,
5? Yeah, fuck. I forgot this was game 2.
3.
Yeah. No, I meant this is their 3rd win, and this is their 2nd win.
This is the second one.
Yeah, how you smarter than me, bro?
Huh?
Damn. Is it how you just smart? You just smarter for some reason. How you do
Hey, GG Investor,
What up? What up, bro?
do you have scripts automated on your trading view?
No, why? You
Because
got
for
that
the
shit?
SE chart, like, did you chart that right away?
The
The
SE.
yeah, the seed limited chart that you have, like, did you chart that today?
Yeah, I charted that today.
Okay, so all that purple red lines, that was you, correct?
Oh, the red lines?
Yeah.
No, these are just the monthly opens. The ones I did are these purples.
It's like the big purple, red, purple lines.
Yeah, these are just the monthly opens and the weekly opens. What do you have? Trading Spider?
Transpider.
It doesn't have like the opens.
No, I think I gotta put it on. I don't know.
Google like monthly opens. It's just like an indicator I think you can use.
I already have anchored.
OBV. The
Yeah.
OBV is good. I'm still learning to use OBV though, because sometimes I don't be working out, honestly. Bro, C Limited looks good AF, bro. I'm telling you.
You want to see my watch list? Should I send a screenshot?
I think you posted it, no?
I want another one on Robinhood.
Oh yeah, slap that thing on there, bro. Just don't at everybody because they get annoyed.
I fuck that shit. That's good.
I was thinking I could
Me too.
I was thinking I could do like a I don't know, I'm still working on the role stuff. So I could like I don't know, just like you could add like for example I could send alerts or something. Alerts at you. It would just be that squad though, you know what I'm saying? Like there, see.
Oh
It'd be
shit.
it'd just be for those guys. See, now you're gonna see Brand Doofus show up online for some reason. My man's gonna show up real quick. He's earned his stripes though, you know? He's earned his stripes. I don't know if you've seen, but I'm loaded up with badges, bro. I've been in the service for a minute now. Ain't I right, Trippy?
Yep. You created a server.
Sure.
Are you like able to boost yourself, GG?
You can boost. I think you gotta like boost the server though. Like here, let me, cause this is the bot that I'm using, Arcane bot. Who the fuck is the? Not letting me go to the website for some reason. I can go to their website though, Arcane bot. I think you can get double XP if you boost the server, but I don't want you guys to spend your money on the boost. And I could change, like, it says max level, where's it at? Vote booster, 10% vote booster. Effort booster, word count. See, it's done by word count. Boosters. I don't have XP boosters. Boost rolls and channels increase XP earned by randomly adding between. Oh, this is for randoms. I don't want to do the randoms. Boosters can exceed 80% for more than one booster. You need to purchase premium. Oof. Add booster. No boosters have been set up. Percentage. I don't have booster set up. 10%.
Oh my god.
What up? What happened?
Oh no, it's my sister.
Hey, I got the leaderboard on though. People catching up. Where's Brand Doofus? Oh, Boogeyman. Hey, you passed Boogeyman. I took Mojo off the list. He just for some reason got off. We just need a couple more people active. Hey, did you post that watch list, Trippy?
Yeah, we do.
AMC, GME, Myron, Atar. They looking like Mojo, bro. Clean, CRTD. B square. Hey, I like wheat though, bro. You crazy, bro. Which one was that one? It was the B Square Corporation.
Yeah, I think it's a short squeeze play.
B Square. It ain't got no volume though. 51K in volume.
Yeah, but look at the chart.
What about it? Does it have high short interest or what? You just
It flows like crazy.
let me look at the short interest on it. 2%, bro. They ain't never gonna squeeze.
You can swing trade up.
Swing trade?
Mm-hmm.
Does it have options?
No, you buy and hodl.
It don't have options, bro. It's just a buy and hold.
Mm-hmm.
Oh shit, we got some clout. Let me see. Hamster, he liked the SC we found in Discord. Hey, join the Discord, bro. We're trying to get some clout in here. And then they
Who said
pulled.
that?
I did.
Oh.
Let's see. They did like that SC play though. For some reason, I like it too, bro. To be honest. Hood, MAT. What's MAT doing? Ah, shit. I posted it on Discord. Trying to chart it up. Oh shit, this looking good, bro. This is looking good.
Which one?
MAT.
MA.
Oh,
Yeah. It's an energy play.
yeah.
Was there some news on this, Trippy? Why are you pulling it up?
It's
Was it on
a good
Reddit?
one.
Huh?
No, I believe it was a short squeeze play as well.
Yeah, but like,
It's a good. I forgot
there-
what.
was there some?
There's some good news about it. Real full of shit.
Oh, I just didn't know if you
Full
found it on Reddit again or something. Like
Oh,
I'm not joking.
no,
I'm not
I
joking.
found it. I found it on my own DD like a while back. A while back.
No, it's a Mojo play, bro. Like Mojo was on this for a while, but I wasn't sure. Like my question was like I didn't know if like there was some recent sentiment or some buzz talking about it recently or something because it used to be a Reddit play, but I didn't know if it was like they were reviving it.
No, I think it's gonna go up again now.
Like
Take a
250.
look at the alerts.
Which alerts?
The,
Oh, how do you or?
no, I'm gonna do that right now.
All right.
So you know what's funny?
What's up?
There's actually a alert for SE at 12:58 that went off.
It did.
It was for that 91 card that we were looking at, bro.
Bro, this premium on that MAT is looking good. Looking all green. All I see is money on this one right now.
Got you, bro. Just throwing game, free game for everyone.
Hey, free game for everybody. Y'all join the Discord. Am I right, Trippy?
Take a look at come join the Discord and look at my my watch list.
For sure. Hey, free alert, subscribe to the Trippy alert. Look, so the put premium's like 600 and the call premium is 5K. So like almost 10x. Is that right?
Shit.
I'm gonna look at the flow for it too though. Just look at the active chains. I might play this one as a meme play.
You call me a meme?
Meme. Meme. Huh.
Whoa.
The $1 calls for June 17, bro. What's up?
There was a well alert for SQQ, and it was set at 12:40 p.m. right, 20 minutes before market close.
Yeah.
And that was for 365, and bro, that shit closed at 570 for like the last 20 minutes. Interesting, bro. Crazy.
Yeah.
Crazy.
To be honest, like that SPY flow, bro, you need to learn it.
I don't know, bro. I feel like this, I feel like there's other opportunities because I feel like I'm gonna lose too much. Fucking
yeah.
SPY. I already did.
Yeah, I wouldn't. I don't want to touch SPY. That's why. The way I trade SPY,
I don't know what the fuck I was thinking.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
How I think it's like, all right, I'm trading in a ETF. It's not a bad stock. It's not a bad pick. It's an ETF. But manipulate it. I don't know.
Yeah, it's the algos, bro. That's what I was saying. Yeah. Like, I would just the way I trade SPY, or not. I wouldn't trade it. The way I look at it is just follow it through the chart. I don't follow the flow for the SPY and stuff. It's too much. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I know.
I just chart it
Well, I
up.
mean, I follow the flow for the SPY because I mean, it could kind of give you like an indicator when you're looking at 2-day expiration dates.
Mm-hmm.
But aside from that, yeah, like charting it will most likely give you a better accurate description of what might happen.
Tune in.
Hmm. Oh, you got the DD? Oh shit, you got Lou on. What's going on, you motherfuckers? You still watching them?
Oh,
Is that the new video? Oh, it's a live. He's live. Should we rate him? Hey, tell him to join the GGG live stream.
but
Yo, you said that you were taking Ford costs? Ford?
Yeah, but I don't know how I feel about Ford right now. Let me peep it. Let me peep it real quick.
Nah, because if you look at the dark pool activity,
Yeah.
we have 5, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. About 15 million, no, 15, 16. About $17 million worth of stock purchases between 1225 and 1243.
Oof. Did you see this other one? This $10 put for July?
For Ford?
Yeah.
No.
Check it out. Let me post it on the Discord. Or here, I'm just gonna post. This is my filter, basically. This is one of my filters.
I have it saved.
You got mine saved?
Yeah, you filter. I have
Which
a
one?
name GGG.
Yeah, that's the go-to right there. It's 45K, 64 day, exclude and just remove the ticker name. I got Ford
No,
on there though.
it's 25K, 64 day range. Opening trades for only, exclude deep in the money, out the money only, to the trades only.
Oh, you got the opening trades on there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's the open floor. That's the floor open, yeah. Then I have that's the open floor one. Then I have the classic GGG. That one I just remove the open so that way I can see more flow. Cause the open trades it like really cuts down on like only the open orders.
Hey, bro, I'm not gonna lie to you. I can't believe we've been looking at flow for this long.
Yeah, I know I've been looking at some good stuff though.
Like, this is the longest I have ever looked at flow. I have never ever done such a deep dive like this.
Hey, I'll tell you if you want to save that filter though, just take off the open trades, or
I did already.
save a second one without the open trades. So call that one open trades, open floor trades. Yeah, hold up. I'm gonna just send you two filters, all right? And then save them again. That way we on the same page. Does that work or not?
Robin?
I was just gonna send you two filters to that you could save.
Oh, yeah. I got it.
Here, I'm gonna send them again, and that way you have the right ones. All right. Open floor here. And then the other one that I like is open floor is probably my favorite, but I also use the triple G one because it's basically the same one. This is just the generic It's my go-to. It just doesn't specifically look for open. There you go. Those are two of the ones that I like. Let me know if you got them. I would delete the other one and then save those two. The GGG open floor and then the GGG just classic GG. But on the GGG I was looking at the floor, the four board. Puts for 10. 2K size. They came in on the 19, bro. That's insane. That's insane, actually. Let me see if my brother's gonna bring some McDonald's, bro. I might have to get off because I'm.
Are you gonna get on tomorrow?
I mean, I'll still be on the Discord. I just wanna grab some food. I'm gonna be on Discord though, I think.
Oh yeah, I feel.
A bit.
You know, alright, stream.
Oh shit! What'd you eat, Trippy? Zaxby's? What? That shit's busting, bro.
Are you gonna get that right now?
I had that last week, bro.
It's down last week.
Yeah, last Sunday.
I think you need to get it right now, then.
Bro, that shit's closed right now, ain't it?
Oh yeah.
Hey OJ,
Shit.
did you get those 2 filters I sent you?
I got them.
I bet. Yeah, those are my 2 good ones. If you got some good ones you like, just you can send them to me. I'll save a few that I like, that I find interesting. I was gonna probably hop off though, so I could I just want to do some this little exercise so my back can kind of heal up, and then I'll probably lay down and be on my laptop, probably on the Discord, more casual though. Cause right now I'm standing up. Plus, ain't nobody on the stream. Nobody's asking nothing.
You stand up?
Yeah, I got a stand-up desk. Can it goes up and down. You know what an standing uplift desk? I got like an uplift desk. Paid like 1,500 for it. Uplift. It's nice though. Huh?
For a stand-up desk?
Yeah.
That's
It's
cool.
nice, but it just helps with like back problems and stuff. I got one of these bad boys. I got this one actually. The wood grain, like the real wood.
Matt Kors has one.
He does?
Yeah.
Well, that man's rich now, bro. He played everybody with the AMC.
No, they didn't. They only
Bro,
bought cars though.
Bro, you think he still has his share? Bro, he made all his money back with his live streams and stuff. Like, he don't care about his position no more. You think he's made like so much more money off just like everything? But yeah, definitely get a stand-up desk if you can. It's good for your back.
No, I'm not gonna be standing up.
You're not gonna be standing up. You can sit down. What do you mean? Yo, I guess I'm gonna hop off. What you looking at, OJ? You ain't got nothing interesting? Any flow?
Not at the moment, bro. I'm gonna watch some videos of other people to see how they switch the flow.
Yeah. I mean, I think we did some good searching today, though. Some good whale watching.
We did, bro.
I got, what did we get, bro? I posted them on Twitter so I didn't forget them. We got Zoom. What else did
Zoom,
we get?
SE, Macy's,
Goose is hella good.
got Ross, Goose.
I got Zoom, Goose, SE for sure. I don't know about Ross or Macy's. Because those are really up in the air, bro. They're like, they got earnings.
Can be
Oh,
after earnings, so.
you said somebody was closing up their put positions. Was that, Dell? I'm still bearish on Dell. So I got
Dell.
Hell yeah. You never seen the flow for Dell? Look at that shit up. Bearish AF, bro. Bearish, bro. And especially after it broke, what, 40 bucks? I posted this one on Thursday on Twitter. This shit's dumping, bro. Hell no. I wanted a retouch of this up here so I could get my puts, and that bitch never came up there. It's looking like it's coming to 35, 36. Where'd it close at? Yeah, I'll look at the flow for Dell. But I guess nobody's on the stream no more, man. It's just nobody's on here no more, bro. So I'm gonna end up the stream. You guys got anything to say to them?
Yeah,
Trippy,
buy your puts.
I know
Buy
you got something to
puts
say, Trippy.
and,
Go on.
Buy puts and AMD.
What about the watch list? You want to say something about the watch list?
Yeah, if you want to watch it, you gotta join the Discord.
Hey, but tell them about the breakdown. Watch list for 5/23/2022.
Yeah, so basically just look out for Twitter and SPY for 380. Look out for WE and look out for SIGA ticker symbol. And
That's IGA, yeah.
you
No
know, we just keep
resistance on that.
spending a lot of shit.
Right, U.S. places 119 million for 13 million freeze-dried monkeypox vaccines.
Yeah, amazing.
You got the DD
They
on
already
that?
have the vaccine for it.
Oh, for real? So it was
Yeah,
planned, huh?
Yeah, of course. Come on.
Planned, bro. They just trying to fund some cash, huh?
What you think, OJ? Those liberals, right?
I think it's all busted.
What?
Everything's busted.
What is?
Okay.
Politics? Yeah, that shit busted, bro. Alright, well, I'm gonna wrap up the stream. I'm gonna be in the Discord. I wanna go do some
If you need
exercises.
more Didi, just watch live. He's live right now, so.
Oh, did he talk about the monkeypox too or no?
He's talking about everything.
But did he catch that early or not?
I'm not sure.
Where did you catch it? Where did you first see it?
I found it on Twitter.
Twitter? But who? Which account?
I don't know, but when I do deep diving into like conspiracy shit, I just find something.
That was some good conspiracy though. And that shit's blowing up right now. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna wrap up the stream and I'll probably be on the Discord just chilling for a bit. And I'm trying to watch the game, trying to watch the recap, so. Gork, I'm gonna shout out a couple people real quick. Gore showing up, NASCAR, Jimmy. I think that's it. The fuck? That's all the people that showed up. OJ showed up for a little bit. I think that's it though. It's not letting me. You didn't show up. Did you show up? You didn't show up. Yeah, you didn't show up. You was in there?
Yeah, I'm right here.
No, but I'm talking about in the chat, bro. You gotta make yourself present in the chat.
I had the chat up.
Oh, Shane showed up. Shane showed up for a little bit. I like Shane. He's a good dude, but he like shows up for a bit and then dips, I think. I think he's just supporting the channel.
You don't talk about his play, man.
What's his play? I gotta ask him next time. I'm gonna ask him next time. You're right. I gotta be here for the people, bro. I am here for the people.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I appreciate y'all showing up. I'm gonna go handle this therapy session real quick, and then I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna be on my laptop.
Alright, I'm gonna go
You're gonna go what?
take